Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another edition of Tradeify TV. It is Tuesday, August 19th, 2025. It is 60 minutes before the New York opening bell, which means it's time for us to help get you ready for your trading day. We are at full strength today. In fact, beyond full strength today at Tradeify TV, as in just a few minutes, we are going to be joined by Max Options Trading, Big Daddy Max, the whole crew. There's a couple of them, but we're really looking forward to this very special stream today. They're going to be joining us shortly, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Make time to stick around for the entire stream today, guys. We're going to have giveaways, special guests, and the whole team is back together today, so we're excited about that. So let's kick it around the horn and say hello to Mr. YT himself, the man, the myth, the legend, Swiss Nick. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Good morning, Miriam. Good to have you back, Miriam. We thought you would be back yesterday. We even told the stream, like, hey, guys, so Miriam is coming on a bit later today, and then you didn't show up. And we were like,
we started the stream having no idea where you were.
We actually knew she wasn't coming, apparently, but we forgot, Matt and I. But, hey, we have her here today, so let's intro her, and let's do this. I mean, let's say good morning to our one and only future slaying, matcha drinking, self-muting, hot girl walking, stranger hugging, Slack notification hating, bottom tick loving, non-official Disney princess, curly trader, matcha mommy. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, guys. Wow, I actually forgot about that intro for a little bit there. It's been it's only been a couple days that I've been gone, but I'm glad to be back, guys. I'm glad to be back, and welcome, Tradeify Nation. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are returning as an OG here. I've definitely missed you guys. I definitely missed you guys, but glad to be back. I'm glad to be back. I had a nice little apparently a matcha huasca retreat, so that was a lot of fun. But unfortunately, didn't drink actually any matcha on my.
What visions does one see on a matcha retreat?
What's that?
What visions does one see on a matcha retreat?
Not really sure. I have to go back and actually see where that term came from. But yeah, so I'm back. But I'm glad to be back. It's gonna be a great day. It's only Tuesday, guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a rocking week. But we got a lot going on this week. Max Options coming on today, as well as the other crew members coming on this week as well. So we're excited. But we're gonna get into some trades here. We're getting into what we're looking at. Nick's gonna kind of break down his trade as well, so we're gonna get into it. Before we do that, let's do the market wake up.
Oh yeah, let's go. So you guys can already see it. This is a 15-minute chart on NQ right now, okay? I've been in this trade for freaking 4 hours already, and I am at exactly break even. Look at this, 0.5 points in profit. I still like it though. I do have my TP set, I do have my stop loss set. But before I break that down, let's actually look at NQ overall. Yesterday, if I switch over here, there we go. So yesterday we really defended. I mean, we didn't have great price action. That's clear to everybody who traded yesterday, right? We really defended that 23,735 level, like the 730s, 720s ish. We do have so many wicks here, obviously from Friday, right? But then we had one from or like multiple yesterday. I'm just gonna draw them here. We also rejected them during the Asia session today. It's actually the Asia low again at 23,730. So this level is really, really holding. We also still have this downtrend line intact that I talked about yesterday during the market wake up. I was actually confused today that I didn't have to do the market wake up with Miriam. I was like, wait. Oh, she's doing it. Okay. So the trend line intact. It has multiple touch points from Wednesday, 13th of August, then second one on 14th of August, then next one Friday, 15th. And as long as we're holding that, right, we're still going to be consolidating here or even moving lower. However, how the market looks to me right now, we're going to break this and move to the upside. If we do that, we have multiple levels that are pretty important here. To the upside, we have the previous month high. Okay, so the July high sitting at 23,844.75. Then after that, we have the previous day high sitting at 23,882. And then to the upside, even further up, I mean, we obviously have, let me put a horizontal line here. We do have the 950s that are quite important, right? We then do have 960s, 970s, 980s. So pretty much this whole area here. And then if we go even further up, we obviously have the all-time high. But that is still about 300 points higher than we currently are. So let's see. I mean, nothing is impossible. Just saying, not trying to predict price, just reacting to it as usual. Let me go back to my 50-minute chart here. To the downside, if we do break this 730 level to the downside, we obviously have the previous day low at 23,719. And then even further down, still these three levels intact that we discussed in the last couple trading sessions. I already mentioned them, I think, last Thursday and Friday. Mentioned them again yesterday. But the 23,620s, 23,630s, yeah. Then we got the previous week low at 23,587. And then the next one, 536 to the downside. So these are my main levels for today that I'm looking at. We're obviously not going to hit all of them, but I just have an eye on them. Now, to my trades really quick here on NQ. I took 2 trades, actually. I did take a long, pretty much 45 minutes into London Open. Unfortunately, we rejected VWAP, came right back down. And look at this. I can't make this up. Again, I almost got bottom ticked on this. I mean, my stop loss was at 46.75 and it went down to 45.50. So like a little bit more than a point. And we came right back up. We wouldn't have hit my target of the first trade. So still, I would still be in this, which would suck even more. But I did take a re-entry here right when we broke through VWAP at 773.50. And I have a pretty big target. I have a 2-to-1 R. So stop loss is below the London low. And target is basically the Asia highs here at 23,832. But I'm still sitting in this, and I'm just going to stick with this. Once we do reach the 800s again, 23,800s, I'm going to move my stop break even if that happens. But now that we have you back, Miriam, why don't you go over ES? You're muted, by the way. Good morning.
Love that. I love me just coming back to the stream with just straight technical issues. It's just awesome. All right, guys. I hope you can hear me now. Yeah, I was just saying it doesn't look like I missed much yesterday. Quite the range that we were stuck in, and still stuck in currently. And so yeah, this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it. On ES, we are dealing with pretty much 2 areas here. The previous day high, which is sitting at 64.75, all the way down, such a big range right here, all the way down to 64.57. So really a tight 20-point range that we're sitting in here. I do want to highlight this pre-market low here sitting at 64.54. You guys can see on the pre-market here on Thursday, the 14th, we came down to this area, bounced right off of it, and now we did create this pre-market low sitting there as well. So that's going to be a key area for us to look for today to the downside on ES. You can see here we are also creating a nice downward trend line that I did not add here, but I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. So this is kind of what we're sitting at right now for this range here. So what I do want to see to the upside, we do have this 3-hour supply zone sitting here between 64.80 all the way up to 64.85. So really a 5-point range here. And then we have another supply zone. It's also a 3-hour supply zone sitting between 64.9225 to pretty much 6,500. The 6,500 level, not only just like a psychological key area, but it's also an area that we've seen resistance on ES. You can see here back on last Wednesday, the 13th, we did put in a topping tail here as well on the 13th, but then also found resistance here on Friday. So it's going to be a key area for us if we do get back here, either obviously today or later this week, right? I don't anticipate getting up there today unless some sort of catalyst comes out, but that's going to be what I'm looking for the upside. We do have a little bit more congestion to the upside. Not only previous day high I want to see clear, but I do want to see this 3-hour supply zone, like I said, also clear. But that is pretty much the range here on ES. Really not much to say. Very, very tight, balance area that we're dealing with. So we need to break out. I do, of course, love the downside if we can get traction through the 64.54 area. We do have room to 64.41. This has also been a key area. You can see here on Tuesday, last Tuesday, we did have a breakout. This was also the initial balance high that we did have this initial breakout out of. So I do expect some sort of reaction if we do get down to the 64.40. Otherwise, we have room back down to the 64.28 and then the 21s and the 15s. These same areas that we've really been dealing with in the past few sessions last week and the week before. So going to be some key areas that I look for today. It's going to definitely be one of those like wait for the first 15 minutes to develop. This opening range could essentially be a nice area for us to look at. You can see yesterday the opening range really didn't do much. Every time we did come back to those areas, you really could have played like the range of yesterday. Every time it came into the opening range high, we ended up rejecting, came back down, we ended up bouncing. So it was really one of those like range days. If that's the kind of trader that you are, you definitely could have capitalized on yesterday. Otherwise, that's kind of what I'm looking for on ES. To the downside, or let's look at NASDAQ here. So NASDAQ, same sort of setup, similar trend line we have here to the downside. This area, previous day low sitting at 23,719. I'm going to be looking for that for potential reaction. I do have this 3-hour and 1-hour demand zone here on the NQ sitting at 23,650, and it's all the way down to 23,609. So 600 is also going to be a key level here on the NQs, and I'm going to be looking for a potential reaction in this area if we do get down here. I will be looking for a potential bounce play. I do want to see, essentially, if we do get this, I would like to see a push up and then a rejection and then possibly come back down into this area and then, get fresh new buyers, step in, and then look for a bounce play out of this area here. Now, if we do kind of break down and for whatever reason we come down even further, 600 again is going to be that key area for us. But then if we do get down to like say 583, this is again a 1-hour demand zone sitting here. You guys can see this is the 1-hour chart. Actually, this is not the 1-hour chart. This is the 1-hour chart. So there is this demand zone sitting here. It's a 1-hour and 3-hour this area right here. I would be looking for 580 all the way down to like 520. It is quite a range. It's like 50-point range. But I would also be expecting a reaction out of this area. This is kind of like the line in the sand that I would expect bulls to hold if we don't hold this demand. So if we do get down in this area, I will possibly be looking for longs in here. Otherwise, we don't get down here, of course, that's another possibility. To the upside, we would have to break this trend line. And then sitting at previous day high, actually, this kind of sits pretty nicely here if we can get this breakout. Previous day high is sitting at 23,824. And then we do have this supply zone that you can see, actually, we rejected very well here in the Sunday, the Globex session, and that's sitting at 882. So mark that zone here as well, because you can see this 3-hour zone. I'll show you guys the 3-hour zone that I was looking at. It's a perfect like 3-bar down setup. So you can see here we got a nice bearish move down, some consolidation, and then a nice move down from there as well. So this area right here is going to be pretty key for us to monitor here on the NASDAQ. Again, that's 880, call it like 881 to like 927. It's quite a range, I know, but definitely something we got to monitor. You can see here we got a nice push into that, and then we rejected it. So it is a valid supply zone that I'm going to be watching as well for potential rejection. Otherwise, we pushed through it. We got up to the 24K area. That's going to be the next zone that we got to monitor. But yeah, again, going to be one of those like wait for the first 15 minutes, even possibly the first the initial balance to develop, and then kind of look from there to see what we can take. But that's going to be what I look at. So Matt, why don't you walk us through oil and gold?
All right. So guys, oil, CL is oil. Oil continues within this channel. We talked yesterday as we gapped down that we were expecting a run up to the top of the channel high here. Now, again, this is not a perfectly drawn channel because it features this false breakout from last Thursday. And we didn't, again, quite make it up here. But if you were able to catch some of this move from 62 up to the 63 area, that makes for a nice little Monday. And obviously that was about all that there was to trade yesterday. One of the worst days of price action I've seen all year, and probably top 20 of all time. Just awful, awful, awful. Mary, you picked a great show to miss. But anyway, we then are moving back to, I can talk, I promise. Moving back down towards channel low here. And channel low has held up very, very well. We've tested it really 5 separate times and it's held every single time. So we expect a test of this if we kind of extend this down. For me, especially if we break down below 62 and especially below 61.90, I think we've got room down to 61 itself. I would anticipate, again, we haven't heard a ton of news on oil recently, and I think OPEC's been pretty quiet. So unless there's some sort of resolution to the Russia-Ukraine situation, which doesn't appear to be imminent, oil's just going to keep doing what it does. And in this case, it's just sort of a downward sloping channel. Gold just really just continues to piss me off in a whole lot of different ways. But anyway, yeah, no, I know. We've got a little bit of a downtrending channel here. In fact, I think I'm going to kind of take this and get the top of this range off the board. So we're kind of getting into decision point for gold, right? We've been steadily making lower highs, but keeping the same lows. So we're forming sort of this pennant, this flag pattern, which, in all honesty, I know, oh, it's a bullish flag. We just want to break out or break down. We don't give a shit what direction it is. So at this point, actually, I would anticipate if the markets continue to not have upward momentum, and if we don't make another run back up to 24K and all-time highs in the next couple of sessions, I would anticipate a breakout to the upside of this range, probably a test of 3,400. And then let's see if we can get up to 3,420. So gold, as untradeable as it's been, especially on the macro and on the 1 hour, I think is setting up for a little bit of action. So let's keep an eye on that. The Russell after this huge move up last Tuesday is also, surprise, surprise, forming a little bit of a pennant flag pattern here. And so I think we're setting up for a break to the upside as well. Now, again, if the overall indexes can't find some strength and can't find some move to the upside, we would anticipate Russell breaking down as investors and traders look for a little safer assets if we're going to go into even just a 1, 2, 3% drawdown on the overall indexes. Now, again, as far as the indexes go, Nick and Miriam covered them very well, but we have to remember how crappy yesterday's price action was, and there's not a whole lot to change it today. The data beforehand was just there's not a ton of data until basically the Fed minutes tomorrow, and then Jackson Hole and Powell's speech on Friday. If I recall, a lot of the Fed speakers flapped their gums a few times during the Jackson Hole 2 or 3 day summit, so maybe we get some interesting tidbits out of that. But after the political contentiousness of the last Fed meeting, I think a lot of people are really eager to see the Fed minutes and see what were the points being made, both in favor and against rate cuts, who voted for what. I think it'll be pretty interesting. I don't know that it's going to have a huge move on the markets. It may temporarily increase volatility. So if we have horrible price action between now and tomorrow, maybe it'll give us some liquidity and let us break out or break down, at least on a shorter term time frame. But in all honesty, would not shock me much if we don't get the best price action today. But you know what? We've got some fantastic guests coming on today. So if there's not some great price action, we'll just sit here and talk trading with Max Options and the gang. So we're really looking forward to that. So that's what we got as far as some of these other assets. But yeah, well, as Forrest Gump says, that's all I got to say about that.
It'll be a good day. It'll be a good day regardless. I agree with you, Matt.
Just an update on my trade really quick. I did get stopped out after freaking 4 hours. Just random move to the downside just stopped me out. So
you already smashed a monitor this week, so you can't break anything else.
Hey, I mean, nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday, man. That video is going to come out soon as well.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Hey, you sound so much better. That's crazy. But let's actually talk giveaway here. We have currently 149 likes. So let's get the
rookie numbers. We got to pump those numbers up.
Let's get the stream to 303 likes. And if we do that, we're going to do 150K advanced giveaway. Actually, we're going to give away 3 accounts in the flash giveaway because you guys are here early, okay? So if you haven't already, smash that like button. Let's get us to 300 likes, 303. And once we reach that, we're going to give away 150K advanced accounts.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Well, we'll figure out which accent wants to come out first today.
Knowing Nick, it'll be all of them over the course of the next
Together.
3.5 hours or so.
Yeah. Yep. Oh man.
Oh, this trade was brutal. Very, very brutal. When we rejected the low here at 8:05 EST, I was pretty sure, especially when we closed the 5 minute here above 778, I was pretty sure we're gonna move back up. But hey, market wants to do max pain, I guess.
How do you usually adjust from those sort of trades where you're in it for so long and it just ends up stopping you out? What do you do?
Well, nothing. I just accept
You
the loss
saw
and
what
move
he did.
on.
He smashed his monitor. That's what happened. I
That
mean,
was actually
if there's one thing that Nick just exudes, it's complete unhingedness, right? Like he's just he has no emotional ability to regulate his emotions. He's not calm and cool, collected at all. He just breaks shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Go-to.
That's how I deal with it. No, but I just accept the loss and move on. I mean, on my personal accounts and my funded accounts, I'm definitely done for today. So I'll focus on my live trading with Tradeify today, my afternoon, which is now.
I love it. So are you going to trade ES today?
Actually, no. Well, maybe I will. Let's see.
Yeah, it's yesterday was a little painful. I had checked on it yesterday and I was just like, wow. What a day. I hope no one got chopped up too much yesterday trading. Because it was just one of those days, man. It was one of those
You
days.
looked at the price action and almost didn't get on the plane home, huh?
Yeah. Gosh, it was literally like I looked at it and I'm like, this is a blow your account sort of day.
I think we referred to it yesterday as very yucky price action.
Oh, good.
It was not cute.
It was not cute. Yeah.
It was not cute at all. Like we said that multiple times yesterday during the stream.
I'm glad you guys are finally catching on.
Hey, we had to represent you, so.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Did you have some matcha too to represent?
We spent some time coding the yucky cute indicator. It's going to be available for $5,000 a week starting next week.
That's it? That's a deal.
100% guaranteed to never lose.
That is a deal. Man, jump on it.
Yeah. And you're locked in for at least 5 years.
Yeah.
Oh man.
You just sign your house over and you're good. That's all you need to do.
Oh, wow. Well, sounds about right.
All right, we're almost there with the like goal for the giveaways. We're currently sitting at 280. Guys, give us some more. We need 303 to do 3 150K advanced accounts.
Oh man. Yeah, I do. I hope we get a move today. I hope we get a move.
Well, we better.
You tell them.
Yeah.
Mario
markets are clearly scared of you, Nick, after jerking you around for 4 hours before stopping you out.
Hey, look, here's what I expect, Matt. Here's what I expect, Matt. I was just stopped out. I expect the pump now. Like,
yeah.
It has to happen, you know? This is max pain. You take out pretty much all the lows, like these lows all taken out, this low taken out, this low taken out, and then we move, right? I mean, I stuck to my stop loss that was set here because of this low, right? We took that out. I'm fine. I'm out, but not gonna risk it to further downside. Even though, I said, like the 730s, they've been holding yesterday and today so far. So let's see if we break through the downside or not.
Man, I am hoping for it. Did we get a pull up yet? Asking?
Not yet. Background Nick, can we get a poll? What's the market sentiment?
I gotta know. I wanna know.
Yeah, Max Payne is a video game, but for me, I always like it sounds like a wrestler Hulk Hogan faced in the 80s at like WrestleMania, right? Like just it's a one of those just weird, overly literal like 1980s to early 90s WWF wrestling names.
Yep. All right. Wrestling aside, we got the like goal hit. So we have a poll up. Make sure you vote on that for the market buys for today. But let's do a giveaway for 3 150k advanced accounts. Now, if you're new here are the rules to participate in that giveaway. You have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and I will drop a keyword here in a second. And once I do, you put that keyword in the chat, but only once, okay? Not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, because if you put it more than once, you're gonna get disqualified, and that would suck. So, rules explained. The keyword is MOT, because max options trading is coming on today. The MOT in the chat for a chance to win 1 of 3 150k accounts.
Oh, there she goes.
I already hear you singing.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
You already know. It's been too long since I've been gone.
Yeah.
Since you've been gone. No, sorry.
Since you've been... Oh my god.
Okay, Matt, should I add Disney Princess to your outro now, or?
I'm personally offended you haven't already.
Wow.
All right,
Yeah.
I'll add it. I'll add it.
Yeah.
Rude.
So are you the beauty or the beast?
We went over this yesterday that you and Miriam are the traders and I'm the eye candy. We covered this.
Hey, no, you said Miriam is the brain, you and I are here for the looks.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you and I are the beauty.
You
That's
know what?
right.
I'll take it. I'll take it. You know,
man.
If I had hair, I'd flip it right now.
hottest
do.
male trader.
Flip your beard. All right, Drew, whenever we have enough applications, feel free to pull it up. Although I just saw that giveaway bot froze. Too many applications. Whenever you have that ready, just pull it up and then we'll pick 3 winners for a 150k account. And guys, of course, today, throughout the stream, we're going to have more giveaways. So make sure to stick around because you never know when they happen, but they will happen. And today we have some really, really juicy ones. It's going to be good.
Juicy.
Okay, I'm very happy that I didn't get stopped out and then it just ripped to the upside. I would have been stopped out twice now. So I'm cool.
That's what I always say too. I'm like, if you're gonna stop me out, just keep going at that point.
Yeah. Mhm. Then it's actually a good feeling. It's like, oh, okay.
Right. You're like, oh, okay.
But if it like bottom ticks you, as it did on my first trade here, like, look at this. This was almost a perfect bottom tick. Stopped out and then ripped. So that doesn't feel as great, I can tell you.
Well, we'll just have to wait till the market opens then.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely. All right, guys. Well, in just a few minutes, we are going to be joined by the Max Options Trading Gang, Big Daddy Max and Llama. We are excited to welcome them to Tradeify TV. Gonna be a great stream. We're gonna have a ton of fun. It's a great day to have them because even if the market conditions are shit, we'll have some fun. So yeah, this is we're really looking forward to this, guys. We got obviously we've already done, or we got the giveaways queuing up, and we're gonna be ready to go with Max here in just a little bit. So stay tuned, guys. If you're new to Tradeify TV, we're with you Monday through Friday, starting at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you give this stream a like, and if you want to participate in the chat, you gotta subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, and you'll get access to all the great stuff that our subscribers get access to, which is the show. I mean, what else do you need? Oh.
It'll be fun. It'll be a good time. I wonder if the Max Options crew are matcha drinkers.
Well, that's a question that you need to ask them. That's for sure.
I'm going to take a wild stab in the dark and say no.
Oh,
I don't think that's that wild, Matt.
Yeah. They probably drink it iced. I'm assuming,
Yeah.
in a Stanley Cup.
I don't think they do.
Well,
but anyways,
I'll have to ask.
let's pick our 3 winners for the 150k accounts. These are 150k advanced accounts. Okay. So Drew, let's pick the first one. Anybody still typing MOT, you can stop. You will not be added anymore. Show me the money. You just won a 150k advanced account. Make sure to type something in the chat so we see you're there. And you claim that account. Let's actually pick our second. Well, let's wait until he types. We need him to claim.
Show me the money.
Okay,
Yep,
here, great. Congrats. Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can send you your code. Next winner is Nick Silvacci. Congratulations. You also won a 150k advanced account? Make sure to type something in the chat so you claim. Nick Selvaki. How do you pronounce that? Okay, it says woo. There we go. Nice. And the third winner of a 150k advance account is Barney 5. Barney 5. Well, that's it. So congrats. Make sure to type something in the chat as well. Barney, and all of you 3 winners, make sure to add your email addresses to your YouTube channel description so we can actually reach out to you and send you your codes for the free accounts. And as said, we are going to have way more giveaways today. We have some very, very good giveaways today. So stay tuned, watch the show, because you never know when they happen, but they will happen.
Barney 5 logging in from Mayberry today. Tell everyone over there hello.
Very cool. Congrats, everyone. Please use those accounts wisely.
Yes.
Hey, Barney said hello, Nick. Is he serious?
The audacity.
You know what? You're a true OG if you know that. This triggers me. So
it's true, yeah.
I'll applaud you. Golf clap, actually. Great work.
How dare you say hello?
If anybody says hello when they win a giveaway today, well, something's going to happen. But they don't know what.
And I love the reverse capitalization there. That's beautiful. Somebody it is a true OG. It's probably somebody's alt who just wants to fuck with you, Nick.
Yeah. Well, I said I respect it. True OGs get respect, so we're good.
Hello, Nick.
All right.
Oh, good stuff.
Yeah. How's ES looking? ES is stronger than NQ right now. NQ is just it's approaching Asia low, and ES is nowhere near Asia low actually.
Yeah, this is gonna be an interesting day. I feel like we've been getting some, sometimes we get this nice confluence between ES and NASDAQ, but it's like it feels like for a split moment, and then all of a sudden they just both decide to go their separate ways. So we'll see how long they want to not stick together today.
Yeah. Also, anybody who did not win a 150k advance account right now, I'm not sure if you know, but we currently have a freaking amazing sale going on. You're gonna see it here on screen in a second, but you can get a 150k advance account currently for $50, which is insane. It's like so low. We have 100k accounts for $40 and 50k accounts for $30 because of the 10 days anniversary special. So if you didn't win an account, take advantage of that.
Yeah, never a better time, guys, especially just after the 1 year anniversary, to join up with Tradeify Nation.
100%, Mr. Matt. Hey, you know what, Miriam? Yesterday during the stream, Matt pulled out the accents freaking 1 minute into the stream. Okay, so that's a new record.
That is a new record. So how many times were you fired yesterday, Nick?
About 3 times, and then I think we almost got canceled as well because of my Indian accent.
We did. Yeah.
Yeah, knowledge seeker knows. You naughty, very good.
So it was just a normal day yesterday then.
Yeah, we
just
had fun.
A normal day here in chaos.
But we missed you, Miriam. So we're glad you're back.
I'm glad I'm back too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
no, it was pretty entertaining because our dumbasses completely forgot you weren't here yesterday. So we're like,
Yeah,
"Where's
that's great.
Miriam?" I'm like, "Oh, don't she'll be here. She just slept in." And then we get like we're on for like 10 minutes, and background Nick's like, "Yeah, no, she's off."
Oh no.
Yeah, she did tell us that, and we're like, "All right, well." So yeah, two hosts, no guests, and shit price action. So yes, the accents came out early.
Oh boy.
Yeah, had to.
Well.
Oh well.
I had to rely on like a bunch of dudes listening to me actually saying something. So when I say I'm on vacation, no one listens.
Is this just like are you used to this at home now?
No. Well, I'll let you know in a couple years.
Wow.
Well, come on. I mean, you haven't trained him yet?
Well, yeah.
She's like, he's listening. Shut the fuck up.
There's only so much I can say.
Hey, Matt, we got to be careful. Leia is calling us out.
For what?
Check the chat.
I didn't sing the boys are backing down. I mean, there may have been a sentiment similar to that, but.
Oh, Leia. See,
Oh, man.
I appreciate chat keeping me updated.
Yeah.
All right, Leah, you're in the shit house now.
Apex bit. Everybody waiting on Big Daddy Max and Max Options Trading. They're going to be on here anytime. So shortly.
Oh yeah, they're coming. They're coming. Don't y'all worry.
Don't y'all worry.
Man, what does the poll say here? Let's see. Interesting. Okay. So 35% saying full port longs. Okay. Full port shorts, 20%. Barcode action, 14%. And what market? We're here for Max. All right. Well, we love to see it, guys. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting day. We're going to have to wait and see what happens. I mean, you can see obviously yesterday not much happened. So let that be a lesson on being patient. Let the market come to you guys.
Yeah, for sure. We are approaching Asia lows here. So it's definitely possible that we're going to sweep Asia lows and then get the move to the upside. I don't know why, but today I'm really, really bullish. Usually I'm the perma bear.
You're very, very bullish today.
Yeah.
What makes you very, very bullish?
Very, very bullish. Just that we held this 740 to 30 area like so well since Friday that I'm like, you know what? It's looking way too good for a short to be a short, so that's why it's going to be long.
There's no possible way this will be a long, therefore it's a short, or vice versa.
But hey, again, I always say I don't predict the market, I react to it. So it might as well be a short, and then I'll take shorts. But I would love to see the longs today.
Honestly, I mean, I definitely want a little deeper to consider a long. I'm not like super excited to take this off the gate and just short the pre-market low or even yesterday's low, but I do want to see what we're going to do in these demand zones. They've been there for a while. I mean, when I say a while, I mean like last week. That's my version of a while in this market, but we'll see what kind of reaction we get.
What's the first zone? What's the area you drew out?
My first zone is going to be starting at 650. And then it's down to like, call it like 609, 610. 600 is really going to be that level. But then we have another one right below that starting at like 581. And then it's all the way down to 520. So it's about a 50-point range on that second one. But that second one is going to be the most important, I think, in my opinion. We do have some areas to the downside that we need to like potentially hold. And so that first area is definitely going to be the 650s. We'll monitor this area, see what we do. If we do break down, I will definitely be looking at the 570s, 580 area for a possible reaction. But yeah, likewise with you, Nick, I'm actually looking for potential longs here, but more in key areas. Like I want to see more of a breakdown into these areas and then monitor for like a reversal. So hopefully, I don't know, maybe who knows if we even get to those points, right? We'll see if you get to those levels yet. But ES might be the one to hold everything up. I think ES will definitely have to get some traction below like 6450.
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh. Should we do a flash giveaway? 25K Lightning funded account? I don't know.
I mean, the poll says 92% yes. Hell yes, actually. So, well, seems like we got to do a 25K Lightning funded giveaway. Not giveaway, flash sale. Flash giveaway. What's a flash giveaway? Another one? We already did one. Okay, well, maybe we're gonna do more. We're gonna do more. You're not ready for today's giveaways, guys. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, we're just kind of hovering below the -1 standard. Oh, I'm sorry, the highway, the lower highway, as
I was
Nick
about to say, like,
now.
Come on, it's a highway
on
strategy.
the NQ. That's an interesting break, retest, and go pattern. Could set up for a possible short into the Open. But again, we're close enough to the New York Open, guys. We just kind of want to, I think we're going to react to that more than we are anything in the next 18 minutes.
What?
Oh, nothing. I'm just observing, y'all. I'm just observing. Bookmaps looks a little dead today. I can't imagine what it looked like yesterday.
Hey, I was telling Matt, your bookmap is not bubbling today. And
The bookmap was not mapping.
He thought it was frozen for a moment.
I did. I told him I keep it. It's like if I'm looking at the camera, it's like right up here, and I'm used to like when there's a move. You know how bookmap works. It'll like the graphics change a little bit, so I noticed that out of the corner of my eye. So I thought it was frozen 3 times yesterday.
You know what? That I've seen that happen a few times, and it's the craziest thing because you're like, is my setup okay? Like, is everything okay on my end? And then all of a sudden it just like starts to try to trickle into different areas, and it's the weirdest thing. It's the weirdest thing, but yeah, that's when you know like the day is just not. It's not a good day to trade when bookmaps is just straight like frozen, and it's not because of technical issues. But even right now, I'm looking at it. I mean, obviously we haven't opened yet. We're still about like 15 minutes or so until the New York session, but yeah, not much going on. Not much going on. So kind of a quiet session today. We do have some buyers sitting at 23,730 here on the NQs. Pretty much right where pre-market low is sitting right now. Lots of buyers sitting there. But yeah, it's dead. It feels dead on bookmaps. Hopefully that changes when we open here. We get some volatility going in there, but all right, we'll be monitoring this, so we'll see what we get.
Yeah. Now we're still approaching Asia lows. Pretty convinced we're gonna take that out even prior to New York Open. Asia low sitting at 23,730.75 on NQ. I mean, ES is nowhere close. Told you before. So let's see what we get. How the hell does somebody vote for I'll pass on a giveaway? You don't want free money? Okay.
Plus, when you pass your eval, you can print out a nice little certificate and frame it and put it on the wall behind you. I'm just trying to get the spirit of today. Barry, be okay? You all right over there?
I wasn't ready for that one. I just like had the vision too.
Yeah, you know exactly what I'm referring
to. You know what? To each their own. Whatever gets you up and motivated for the day, you know.
Oh man.
All right, starting to see some action, some action. I'm not a whole lot here on bookmaps, but yeah, definitely going to be monitoring this pre-market low here at 23,730. ES still in this really awkward range right now, so not interested in ES. Nasdaq looks a little bit more promising to make a move today, but we'll see.
Richter's brings up a good question with that. Do you have to take it down after you blow the account? I mean, I would say yes, but you know, that's.
Oh man.
Oh man. That's a lot of work.
It is, yeah. I just want to know what kind of paper to use for that. Like, do you go for the glossy so it looks really nice?
Right, or like some sort of cardstock so it actually looks like some sort of diploma.
Yeah.
Oh, let's not even get into that too much.
Oh man.
Oh, dude. All right, you see it in the chat, guys. Official Tradeify channel just posted. That's background Nick, by the way. Lil Degen is what we call him for everybody who's new here. BDM and Llama are on shortly, so stay tuned. Yeah, Siri, you're right. How the hell are we at 1,000 viewers almost, but only have 530 likes? If you want that flash giveaway for a 25k Lightning account, you got to give us some likes here. Let's get the stream to at least 777 likes. Let's get Miriam her angel number.
Angel number. Let's do it.
Hey Vola, it seems like you haven't been here in a while. That plant has been here for 2 weeks.
What kind of plant is that? Is that a money tree? No, that doesn't look like it.
Is it? Maybe. Not sure.
Maybe. I think you would know if it was a money tree.
Can anybody screenshot this really quick and feed it into ChatGPT and see if it's a money tree?
You know, you can actually take a picture of it, and your phone will tell you if you have an iPhone.
Yeah, but I mean, somebody in the chat can just screenshot it and put it into ChatGPT. Easy.
I can't even see I can barely see your screen. It's so small.
Really?
I'm not an herbologist or whatever it's called.
You gotta open your eyes, Mariam.
Oh, Lord.
All right. We are just about, 11 minutes or so, a little over, about 12 minutes from the open. So we'll see what the markets have in store for us today. We are just moments away from bringing on our special guests of the day. Big Daddy Max and Llama are joining us. They're getting set up in the background, and we'll be bringing them on momentarily. For anyone who's coming over from their streams, welcome to Tradeify TV. We're happy to have you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. Looking forward to it.
It's gonna be one hell of a stream, that's for sure. It's gonna be one hell of a stream to come back to after being on my Machahuasca retreat.
Machahuasca retreat.
I want to know who came up with that.
That was me, actually.
Yeah, I was just about to say.
Of course it was.
What did you even need to ask that question?
Yes. Oh, Lord. Yeah. I don't know why I asked. I don't know why I asked.
It's called an umbrella plant. Okay. So Pete says an umbrella plant. All right. Never heard of it, but I guess I have one.
Umbrella plant. Never heard of that.
All right, guys. Just a second here. Just getting a little confirmation. All right, guys. It is time. So we're going to be bringing these gentlemen on one at a time. And first of all, from the Max Options Trading stream, let us welcome Llama. Llama, welcome to Tradeify TV. It is awesome to have you, brother.
You wondering why you ain't made it to the top? It ain't got no motion.
Very good. How are you?
Oh, we got an intro song.
Nick, you're not dancing. What's wrong?
Oh, let's go.
Nick, that's the worst white guy dancing I think I've ever seen right there.
Wait, that's a pretty dope intro song.
With my boy, Red Pajamas, he's the GOAT.
Ooh, breakfast came really late.
Everybody trade good day, and I almost clapped.
Get off my stage.
Hold on. Profit roll call.
You guys know what to do.
I did well, Llama.
No intro, Toby.
We synchronized.
No intro.
I did the intro, JJ. Big Daddy Max.
Oh, man. Well, welcome to the stream, Llama. We got quite a show packed for today. So welcome.
Everything sounds great. Love that background, too.
At me. So okay, good. Yeah, appreciate this is gonna be the last we see of this background for the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna be getting a whole new office.
Oh wow. That's
appreciate
awesome.
you. Yeah. I did enjoy the background. I did enjoy this room. A lot of money was made in this room. A lot of ticks were caught in this room. A lot of points were made. A lot of memories. Appreciate y'all for having us. And let's see if we can catch some moves today. Honestly, I'm in the mood to catch a nice trade today.
Was the price action for you guys in the options world as shitty as it was for us futures traders yesterday?
I don't trade options. I just trade futures.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
yes, I anticipated price action to be very choppy. I did a call on Sunday with my private group, and I let them know Monday we probably will be seeing chop and just shitty PA due to the fact we have no type of data releases for 2 days. Monday, Tuesday, no data. So I expect chop those 2 days. Wednesday volume start to pick up and us get it going. So I wasn't really surprised, even though I didn't even trade yesterday. I was closing on my new house yesterday, but I let
Congrats.
everyone know that it was probably going to happen. Thank you, I appreciate that.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, I went through that process last fall. It's a stressful but amazing process when it's all done, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure. I
So
feel like it
Llama-
wasn't like too bad.
So Llama, you trade FIPS mostly, right?
I trade like a mix of everything. I kind of put like my fibs together, mixed with orb, mixed with like a little bit of ICT, a little bit of basic raw price action, a little bit of the I kind of put everything. Like I like on my learning career, I kind of just went through looking around, grabbing everything and putting it together into what I like. And yeah, but I show like what I keep on my chart is the fibs. So people are like fall in love with the fibs, but there's just so much more behind what I do
Got it.
than just the fib.
And how long have you been trading for?
3.5 years.
Nice. Okay. And did you you started in options and came to futures, or just always been futures?
I wouldn't even say so when I started, I guess, playing with the market, it was options, but I wouldn't say I started trading options because I was just losing. I was just donating money. So I don't know if you count that as like I started trading. I really just had like a healthy long-term portfolio and then eventually ran into options and then started donating the money. And then I like took a step away and then I just jumped straight into like CFDs, like trading the Dow Jones US 30 3 years ago. And that's really like how I started. Like when I was trading options, I didn't even know what TradingView was. I used to look at the line on like Robinhood, and that's how like I used to look at price. Yeah, it was kind of crazy. Yeah.
You and every options trader who first started.
Right.
Good.
Yeah, right.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I
So
remember
now
when
you
I
just
first got into
trade-
options, I mostly, of course, like a lot of people, lost money, but then I started like almost making money by accident, just kind of figuring it out along the way. But yeah, I also made the transition into futures. So yeah, it's a crazy world, and we just got to have a little fun to get through it, don't we?
Right. Yeah. No. I was just so greedy. No, Max, you're on air right now. We hear you.
No, only in the back end though.
We can hear him in the back end here.
I heard him.
Stream can't hear you.
My
So
bad.
it's back
All
room.
right. So I just ignore him. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, yeah, you can
Hey.
ignore him and finish your
My bad,
point. Guys,
guys.
bring him on.
Production problems. My fault. Yes. No. Damn. Max, bro. What was I saying?
This happens often, huh?
Bro, okay. Oh, so y'all heard me earlier when I was like, "Does this shit even work?"
Yeah, we heard you. Yeah,
Oh,
we were like I tried to keep talking while you were doing your stuff. So.
right. Sick. Hey, appreciate that. So, what was I saying? Yeah, I was just so greedy. Like, I when I ran into options, I seen people with this like 1,000% and all this crazy type of trades, and I'd get like 100%. I'm like, that's nothing. So I would just leave it, and I'd always just let it expire at 0. Always. Like I had so many trades that were like 80%, 100%, 170, and I'm like, I need 1,000. So I kind of had like an accelerated learning in this trading, and it comes from losing like an obnoxious amount of money. And yeah, from there I transitioned into futures last July. So it's officially been a year when I first bought a futures like prop account, and this has been probably the best year of my life. I've
That's awesome.
been printing out of these accounts.
Love to hear it. Love to hear it.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to I think we got well, obviously we got Max in the back here. We're gonna bring him on in a bit, but yeah, we have a lot more to get into today, Llama. So we're gonna
Well,
get into
Miriam, I've just gotten the word from the back. We are ready. It is
Ooh,
time
let's
to
do it.
unleash the chaos on the stream, and we are looking forward to it. Tradeify Nation, Mott Nation, who's visiting today, welcome. And it is time to bring out the man himself, Max Options Trading. Big Daddy Max, come on in. How are you, sir?
Wait, it's going. Well, am I in?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
you're
Am I in? Am I in?
Yes, sir.
What's going on, motherfucker? I'm just kidding.
All right.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
morning.
Yep, they're flagged already, Max. Come on. Chill up.
First of all, make sure everyone, you guys are all following Tradeify TV. Thank you for Tradeify TV for having us today, and we appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys are all following Tradeify TV and like the stream. Like the stream, idiot. Seriously, what are you doing? There's like 1,300 people in here, and I only see 700 likes. What are we doing? Like the stream. Make sure you guys are showing support for this badass cast right here. Nick, how are you doing? Nick, what's that accent from?
Switzerland. That's like the
Switzerland. Okay.
the weird accent here on stream.
I don't want to brag, but I've snowboarded there.
I didn't even know people were born in Switzerland.
Matt, bald Matt, how are we? How are you doing?
I am wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing hella good. And then Miriam, how are you?
Oh, you know,
Llama,
we're doing great. We're
Llama.
doing great.
You don't, Llama,
Maxie.
you might not know this, but me and Miriam, we have history.
Whoa.
We have history. Yep. You guys,
Listen, I didn't think we were gonna get off on that foot.
me and Miriam have history. Seriously, you guys might not know that.
Oh,
But we actually go to the same hairdresser. We have the same hairdresser that does her curls and her beautiful hair, does my hair, Llama.
Wow.
Did you guys know that? Did you guys know that?
Wild.
We
That's
actually go to
interesting
the
work.
I
hairdresser.
can appreciate a top bun when I see it.
Yeah, she saw me one time there and she was like, notice you did a reaction of me and I didn't like it. I was like,
Damn.
I'll never forget it because she was drinking this green shit and it looked disgusting. And she was drinking this green shit in this cup and it looked like it was ice green shit. And I was like, I don't know.
It's just ground up grass and in hot water.
Yeah. And I was like,
it is.
wow. I was like,
Well,
wow,
hold
I'm
on.
sorry. And then she put the cup down and she was like,
Go fight.
don't let it happen again. And I was like, damn. I was like,
That's
oh
right.
shit, am I bad?
That's great.
You're trying to beat my ass in front of the fucking hairdresser. So I folded
gonna
like an
say-
omelet. I was like,
Max,
my bad.
Max, is it there? Okay. We have a tradition on the show that I would like to pass to you for today. At the Open, at the New York Open here in about 10 seconds, I always
go
say,
I'll
ding,
go
ding, motherfuckers. So I would like to cede this to you today, please, sir, and do us
In
proud.
5 seconds, you want me to say ding ding, motherfucker?
That is it.
Ding 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 ding, motherfucker!
All right.
Let's go.
Get it going.
There we go. We are live, baby. It's 9:30 in the
races.
morning. It's Tuesday, August 19th, and we are live. I think right now I'm just going to be a little patient. You guys know I'm going to be probably waiting for that 15-minute opening print, especially because yesterday was such a choppy ass day. I managed to make some solid profits yesterday, but yesterday was absolute ass. And for those of you that don't know, I am not a financial advisor, nor is Llama. We are just here for entertainment purposes only. We're filming a television show, idiots. Remember that.
Correct. Yeah.
Nice
Oh,
looking
yeah.
up here.
Yeah,
All
definitely
right.
nice.
I'm not
the
too
fact
convinced on this buy. I'll start with that. I'm not too convinced on the buy here. I am interested in the short.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask, like,
Mike is low.
walk us through what you guys are seeing, like how you guys analyze the market. Every
How's
single
that?
day.
I analyze the market. Well, first of all, I don't look at anything pre-market. The first candles I just saw are the ones that we just logged in and saw. I don't look at absolutely anything. I believe in following price and not predicting price. And so I could give two shits what the market does. And I trade on SPX. I don't look at SPX really to trade my NQ options contracts.
Short's going already.
It's a funky system. Yeah, I'm about to jump on it. Yeah, I'm about to. We'll see what happens there, Llama. But I like the.
I'll see what it
short.
does at 34. That's been my like real price target where
Yeah.
price could potentially reverse. But if it does break through with force on the 30s, I could see it go
Yeah.
all the way to the 700, even like 650.
I like the short. I like
But
it. I think it
yeah,
looks
my
good.
entry was already gone 20 points ago.
No.
Hey Llama, the chat wants to see your charts. Can you pull them up real quick?
Uh-oh.
They're already on that.
I'm in
That's
on
their
it. I'm in
favorite
on
thing
it.
to say
I'm in
every
on it.
day. Where's
I
the
took the
chart?
break
Where's the
there. I took
chart?
the
I
break
got
there,
it.
Llama. I took the break there.
I'm here
And
trying to share my
trim
chart,
one.
Gangy. Hold on.
I took one, and I'm gonna trim one, and I'm gonna keep a stop at this candle high.
Right.
And I'm rolling in my funded Tradeify accounts, and
Boom.
I'm gonna
sharing.
trim one more, and I am going to keep
Yep.
my stop
That
at
was the break.
76.
Jesus.
I'm out. I took it. Wow,
Let's
that
go.
was an interesting
Nice
break right
trade.
there. Where can I post a screenshot?
I don't think you can on here. You can
It's
send it
still
to me.
going, too.
Send it to me on Discord, and I'll post it on my chart. I'm sharing screen already. That was a clean break. It was very
I
disgusting.
just made 810 across my Tradeify funded account, so I'm up about what is that?
$4,000?
$4,000?
Yeah.
$4,000?
Wow.
Screenshots.
There's the 705 we wanted. If it breaks this, I see
Oh, we're
645.
still rolling.
Like,
Oh, we're still rolling.
there's the
in
full
short.
100-point move.
I agree with Llama. Next trim would be right about here. Get ready to trim your next profits right
Ooh, we're
here. If
coming.
it hits
high.
80, boom, boom. There's a top of 80. We are up 60 fucking points and rolling. Keep holding it. Don't you keep continuing. Don't do this in front of Miriam. Don't you do this in front of Miriam. Don't you dare keep dropping in front of her. I
think it has room. It has hella
Llama,
room.
where do you
I
got your next
definitely
PT
just
at,
missed
Llama?
on it.
Where do you got your next PT at?
645. You want to see 705 hold now? That was a clean break. If this next candle could pop up, tap 705 and then reject and give us our little 3Z down, 645 is clear target.
I do.
Clear
This
target.
is my SPX key range right here. So I agree with Llama. If we see a treasy, a 3-bar pattern down is my favorite candlestick. If we see a treasy down here, I will jump right back in the short with confidence. We did leave some imbalances to the upside here, but we are free range chicken below. Here comes 75 test.
I think we go for those imbalances probably like in 5 minutes. I think we still have a little bit of room to continue to the dump side.
Yeah.
Head more south, and
Oh.
then we can catch a little reverse back to the top. But damn, my entry turning on my screen. They always tell me to turn on the screen at the worst time. I always miss entries because of it.
I know
It's
that's
such a
right.
thing.
I know that's right. Oh, there's a picture. There's a picture of my chart. So there's my entry. There's my profits. There's my Tradeify accounts. 4,000 on the funded across the bag.
Let's go, Max.
That's
Not
awesome.
a bad way to start a Tuesday with $4 grand across the bag. But now I really got to focus on the consistency rules.
Right.
You can't make too much, but you can't make too little.
Let's see if
But
we
we're
can
on
get a
Tradeify TV,
continuation.
so fuck it.
There's
Oh, there goes
660.
the
I want to see
treasy. There goes the continuation
645.
break. Oh, we're rolling. We
I
are
want to see
rolling.
645 here. 645. I'll probably be looking for buys. I missed my short. I'm probably going to be looking for buys. I don't expect today's range to be really big, so I could see us chop back up because that's just how I feel today. I don't think we're going to have a big ass range, so I do
Dang,
expect
another
us to play in the
continuation
same.
Llama, sorry, moving my stop down to 91. If you're still in the trade, I would move your stop down to 91 to 94 and follow a candle by candle method. Remember, a true downtrend will always have a lower high, so you could just trail your stops by following the candles. Let the candles tell the story, and you react so you don't cut those winners too
Mhm.
quickly. So you don't cut those winners too quickly. Let that bad boy ride. Let the trade come to fruition. This could be a free dumper.
Are you trading the 1 minute, Max?
I trade between the 1, 2, and 15. I'm always looking. 15-minute chart is king, baby, because I'm always going to wait and see where my 15-minute orb looks like. SPX is showing some relative strength, a very nice relative strength against NQ. But I have like, if you can't really follow me on the charts because I'm like 1, 2, 15 SPX NQ, 1, 2, 15 SPX NQ. It's like a thing.
You know, I heard
Fair enough.
I heard you guys use the term dump side a couple of times. That's a new one for me. Kind of sounds like a really shitty SoundCloud rapper. But that's a term I haven't heard before.
Or hear me out. A really good SoundCloud rapper.
Right.
Well, you know, maybe if I took the right substances, a really bad shitty SoundCloud rapper turns into a really good SoundCloud rapper.
I know that's right. I know that's
Right.
Oh,
We're
boy.
starting to get a little round
That definitely does work.
See how we failed to make a newer high and that candle on NQ flipped red? That's what we want to see.
Looks like we're bottoming.
See a little consolidation, rounding, and a continuation dump. I love the top side wicks that we're seeing here. SPX very strong compared to NQ. That key level, Llama, look where it's sitting.
I see it.
Right at 37, bro.
I want to see NQ go a little bit lower. The way ES is holding strong here, I want to see NQ go a little bit lower, and then I'm probably going to look for the longs. But until it goes lower, there's no way I take a trade.
I agree. To be honest, I might start scaling into along a little bit if this next candle makes a newer high. SPX did just break out. So if we get a break and retest right here, a little 1 TZ, I'm going to try and ride SPX all the way up to that MVG, sitting about 42. So let's see what happens.
Let's go. I mean, NQ's so far just nice little rejection, solid 20 points there. I want to see if it can continue.
Ooh, there's the wick. There's the wick.
The wiki.
Oh, there's the wiki.
There's the wiki. We got to see if it flips with this next 30 seconds here.
Ooh, they get Tradeify TV. You guys are being blessed with Llama's chart. One of the cleanest charts. I love Llama's chart. You guys have clean charts. You guys have a bunch of indicators and stuff.
Well, a mix.
Oh, there it goes. I'm ripping this freaking
Flipper.
ripping this freaking long right here. Here we go. I'm
Flipper
ripping
here.
long. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Flipper. This might be the move here.
Close one. There's the bell. There's my MVG. That's a full price target right there. Moving my stop loss down to up to 91, and we're ripping. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here. This is a clean break.
I'm actually gonna close out the entire trade. Took that structure break, SPX to the max value. The long looks good. The long looks really good. You can still hold this. There's nothing that says you have to get out of this. Just be very cautious of a volatile or impulse candle down, just like what you're seeing.
Just like that right there.
Just like what you're seeing. But until it makes a newer low, structure says we are going up. Nick, if you want to post this, I'm currently up like 9,000 now. I think I'm up like 1,800 across my Tradeify fundeds. And I'm just gonna keep going. I don't care, Llama. I literally don't even care.
Why would you care, Max? Money is fake. Why would you care? Just take what the chart gives you. Let's have some fun here.
It's just fake. It's just gonna go into my gas tank anyway. I'm just kidding. I have a Tesla.
Your car's electric. Right.
That's great.
I
There's
love
electric.
it.
Walk us through like what you're looking at right now. Why did you go long there?
Because candlesticks are everything.
Right.
Candlesticks are everything. People love to overcomplicate trading, but if you look clearly on SPX, you see we failed to make a low, failed to make a high, failed.
I love
to
a short here, by the way.
make a high that puts us in a small time frame range. Once the range breaks and that major support level at 37 of previous lows holds, I see a candle break to the upside, and I jump on that thing without hesitation, Miriam, because I'm confident as fuck in my trading system.
I love it. I love it.
This, I mean, I had like with this clean break, I told you I want to see this pullback to 705 and then continuation to 645. So this pullback is healthy direct to 705, like directly to it. Now it could be a potential, or high for this continuation back down to the final price target I wanted. But this is showing me now strength where my buy down here could be good later. So this buy was solid. It definitely leaked a little bit more before doing the pullback, but there's the pullback. And now to me, this is a healthy retracement to follow in suit where it needs to go, where I would like, the only level that's gold down here.
This
But
right
if
here,
it just breaks and then it goes,
right. If you look at SPX too, right here, so you're in this great situation where we see a newer high now. So that newer high right here on this candle on the shorter time frames confirms, yes, could this be a lower high from market structure? Obviously, we're downtrending. If you look at the previous day's close, yes, we're downtrending. But if you look at the current price action that we have, we are uptrending, and that was just confirmed by this candle. So that long not only looked good from the rounding at the bottom, which I bottom ticked, I hit the bottom candle, but it also looks good for the continuation right here, like I told everyone. And if you're still holding this bad mamma jamma, you're going to want to look for a left shoulder trim at about 15 to 24 on NQ. And remember, losers, nothing we do is financial advice. We're just
everything to do is entertainment purposes.
Yeah, nothing we do is entertainment. You know what I can't stop thinking of? Seriously, you know what's been freaking me out since last night? I almost had nightmares. I literally was having fucking nightmares last night because, oh, get ready. I feel like this candle breaks the previous candle's high. You're going to get an easy trim at 24 and a couple quarters on NQ.
Shit.
Guys,
Max, hold on. We got to pause trading.
Have you ever? Oh, here we go. You guys mind if I do? You guys mind if we do a quick segment presented by Max Options Trading, guys? All right, we're gonna Llama keep this one PG.
Keep it what?
PG 15.
Well,
all right, here we
all
go. Welcome back to another segment of Pay to Plate with Mr. Llama Llama Red Pajama. It looks like we have an arepa y queso with huevos y grapes. Let's see.
A huevo
What
friti.
yolk we have there. We have a beautiful yellow
And
yolk,
grapes.
grapes. Welcome back to Pay to Plate. Okay, can
We
we
do what we always do here.
Can we
When you
pop?
get the fried egg, you give it a few little, and then you just pop it like that. Ooh.
Ooh, there's a
then you
trim.
give it
There's
a
your
little
first trim right
flip
there,
like that.
25. And we're rolling.
Ooh.
Next price target is 55. Next price
Forgot we're
target is
trading.
55. That's 70 points down, and we're riding at 70 points back up.
All right. So
There we go. Llama,
once
can
you
get a
pop
bite?
the yolk, you flip the egg, you put the egg on the arepa, and this like that, you got some good shit. So
Oh, here we go. All right, can
Get
we
the first
get a full
bite in.
though?
Hold on.
Not a half bite. Can we get the egg and the arepa in one big bite?
Oh, Max, I know what I'm doing here. We
My
only
bad,
do this
my
every single day.
bad, my
It's only
bad.
what I do for a living. Trading is just a hobby.
I know.
Here we go. First bite here. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, with the egg on top.
There we go.
Oh
Ooh.
wow.
All right.
Now I'm hungry.
Ooh,
Damn.
that arepa. Look at the browning on the bottom of the arepa.
Oh, shit.
Did you
All
make
right.
that?
No, I had my girlfriend make it for me.
Yeah. He can't cook.
I can't cook.
Yeah.
I just
Here we
pay
go.
for everything.
Here we go. One bite. Oh. Oh no, Llama. No, we're on Tradeify TV. Don't do it, Llama. Llama, don't do it. We're on
Oh,
Tradeify
no.
TV. Behave yourself. Oh, follow up with the grape. Is it
Just
ice
one
cold?
grape?
Is it ice cold? No, Llama, don't do it. Llama, don't do it. Don't knock over the Legos.
Legos!
Oh, he's so cooked. He's so fried.
Oh, the G-Wagon is gone.
Oh no.
No.
You're trying to show off for Tradeify TV and you broke the G-Wagon. Wow, he doesn't even have booty. He doesn't even have booty shorts on today. It's just chaos. It's just chaos. Absolute
fell
chaos.
now?
That he has like
The whole
thousands
table
of
just
dollars.
fucking flipped over.
You're so cooked. You're so cooked. This is, oh my god, guys, I'm sorry. I know we're here for trading, but this is a mess. This is a mess.
Well, you already made a ton of money, so yeah, we can entertain now.
Yeah.
And hey, all entertainment is all we do, baby.
Right.
Oh, Llama, how embarrassing! How embarrassing!
Bro, I broke the whole fucking G-Wagon. I don't even have the manual for that one no more.
Oh no! How long did
You
it
have
take?
the manual.
How long did it take to put that together?
Like 2-3 hours.
Ah, tough.
I'm just gonna have to throw it away.
Lego building for fat guys is like an Olympic sport.
All right, let's get one more bite in. Hold on. That was actually really fucking
One
good.
more bite. Look at this pullback. That was a nice rejection. We're about to have orb. Orb is going to be 15-minute orb in 3 seconds, baby. Once we got orb and we get a little break of this, then we're going to be good to go.
This is a nice rejection of the pre-market low here on NASDAQ as well. This 9 EMA retest was also a good rejection. ES is just so much stronger right now. So much
So
stronger.
much relative strength on SPX.
Yeah.
I YOLO'd my entire options account into Palantir shorts and yesterday, and it is absolutely dumping. I am up 2,000 on the YOLO account and ripping. Impossible to lose. Impossible to lose when you YOLO against a company that I have no idea why it's that expensive. You know what I mean? I don't really need to know anything about a company except for like, I don't think it should be that high.
I'm not gonna lie, that rejection was so clean, and I'm here always doing dumbass shit. Incredible.
Every time your A+ setup hits, you're doing something stupid, Llama. It's a serious
Every
problem.
time.
Every time. I'm watching orb right here. We're breaking the mid of orb. We left a little imbalance above. I think we might see a pull up. I would love to see a pop to drop. Here comes the pop. I would love to see a pop to drop here just to clear out anything that looks bad on the way down. This is one of those days where I don't see anyhow we don't test those lows.
Are you looking for because you trade the orb? So
I am the orb person.
how do you typically go into that? Because right now, yeah, you're mentioning the opening range right now on NASDAQ is, I mean, we're testing it.
Oh, I don't look at NASDAQ. I'm looking at SPX.
You're looking at SPX.
yeah.
Okay.
He only trades SPX. Like he
I
looks. at
so I
SPX
trade
and trades
NQ.
Nasdaq.
I
It's
trade
crazy.
NQ contracts. I trade NQ minis, but I only look at SPX to trade.
Hold on.
It's
Hold on here, Maxime. We're approaching the 45. This is the area I want him. If we could start bouncing from this, I'm interested in longs.
Mhm.
If we can start bouncing from it, we hit a clean tap. Like honestly, I should have took probably 3-4 trades today, but I didn't. But if we could tap this 45, break back into NQ orb, I think longs are good here for probably like the rest of the day.
We're about to hit that buyer zone that we saw earlier in the day at 9:34 and 5. Don't overcomplicate trading. The candles at 9:33, 4, and 5 that led to that beautiful 70-point long. All that was buyers stepping in at a major zone. If they get taken out, they have to turn into sellers to start making up their losses. It's very, very simple stuff. Let the candles tell you what to do. We're testing a major support zone. I like the fact we bounced once. Previous data says we might bounce again. You just got to wait and see what happens. But the weakness on NQ is so bad. I feel like you really need to see that relative weakness flip into some strength. If we can get that matched up with SPX,
There's a 45. Price target we called at 925 is hit. Just like that.
With gas. You'll be cooking
over 100 points.
with gas.
Over 100 points that we wanted earlier. Now we're getting that perfect bounce. I might get one in early. No confirmation, really just based off of me wanting to do it, honestly. Yeah, they money's fake. So
I am eyeing along here actually. In this area.
I'm in mad light.
What'd she say? She's long? I'm all in.
No, not
We
yet.
have officially broken 10K on the YOLO account, baby. We're up 10K. That means in the last 3 months, we're up $11,274 with a withdrawal of my initial investment. The YOLO account is a ripping, baby.
Hell yes.
Let's go.
Those Palantir shirts?
Palantir shorts. Yeah. You know, I got into Palantir shorts. I'm not even joking you. I was on the phone with Llama and his dad was like, I love Palantir. I'm going to buy it at 177. And I'm like, I heard that. And I was like, oh yeah,
Shorting.
I'm absolutely YOLOing shorts on Palantir. Ever since his dad said he likes Palantir, it's down $17.
Well, we got to ask him what else he likes then.
When you hear a retail person who doesn't trade like for a living talking about a stock that, oh, this has got to be going good.
Right.
Time to short it.
Right, exactly.
Number one indicator in the world. You know nothing.
The thing is, he jumped into Palantir at $77. So he's like, I might as well scale more in. I'm like, we're at all-time highs. Like, why would you even consider doing this? And then Max was like, I'm just gonna short it just to fuck with you. And yeah, he's up some bread now.
All right, we'll
So
trim.
I like the weakness here. I'm gonna get another one in. My stops are probably gonna be at structure point low. It's like a 13-point stop loss. Honestly, I really don't think it's that bad. I'm in 10 micros. I'm in pretty light. I'm risking probably like $200. Nothing crazy
What do you
here.
guys normally trade
If
for
this
size?
flips back 100 points, we're good here.
What's the sizing
This
you guys
flips back
trade
100
up here?
points. Good.
Usually 1 to 2 minis.
1 to 2 minis is my
Except
sweet
except
spot.
Miriam, she full ports 10.
Miriam, you trade 10 minis?
Not all the time. Not on the stream.
Ripping, guys.
Ripper right there. There's a nice
Ripping that 45. If you look at my chart, body closure. That's called beauty. And just based off structure point, I'm gonna get in stop loss at the structure low. I still have zero confirmation. I just got them in strictly off bias and entertainment. And we're just hanging out. Have you guys taken any trades, by the way? I feel like I haven't heard you guys take any trades. yet.
I'm watching. I'm trying to be a little bit patient here. I did like the longs, but we are rejecting this opening range low here on the NQs, which is
Rejected nasty.
kind of
Yeah, I took 2 trades during London session. I usually trade London more often than New York.
Very nice. Very nice. Well, we have a lot of people starting to trade London. And
I have hard stops at 38.20.
apparently Orb is really solid at London.
I don't trade the orb at London, funny enough. I only trade it during New York.
There's some aggression.
New York.
That one, yeah.
If we get aggressive here and start flipping to the top side,
Well, I like the long a lot right now.
I might
too,
do some
actually.
very questionable things that will put your channel at risk.
I'd rather get in the
Oh
long.
no.
I'd rather get in the long 10 points higher now than try and see if it goes though. but it does look like it's rounding up nicely. And I would love to see SPX bounce about 50 cents. I would like to see that. I like this candle too.
Been in here. I'm filled in at 50. Yeah, I've been in since the past 3 minutes. I'm filled in at 50. Structure point SL never got hit. We're currently rolling about 10 points in profit.
Here we go.
Why are we not at 1,000 likes yet? What's going on here?
1,000 likes?
Great fucking question.
1,000 likes yet?
We should hit 1,000 likes and then do a giveaway. What do you guys think?
We're not in 1,000 likes. What's going on here? No, we should do.
We're gonna give me straight away until we hit 1,000 likes.
We should do a giveaway every 100 likes. It's absolutely embarrassing, guys, that BDM and Llama are here and we're not even at 1,000 likes.
Let's do this.
Maxi.
How embarrassing from my
Guys,
chat.
let's do a fucking giveaway, a big giveaway, but we only do it when we reach 1,300 likes. Okay, so let's get them to work at least.
This guy's putting the pressure on us. This guy's putting the pressure on us. I want to see the pop up right here, and I'm on SPX. I just want to see a little wick back up into this candle close, and I'm definitely going to take that long. And
I'm still in it. I'm completely hanging out. Honestly, I'm having a good time.
This looks like we're
whatever
rounding
happens. I'm
nicely.
along already.
The NQ rounding, it might break back into orb with volume, and if it does, if this makes a newer high, if we treasy on SPX here, oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, not
We're currently gripping here. I'm 15 points in profit. I'm letting this one ride for at least 100 points.
There's the breakup. There's the breakup. My first PT is going to be at 76. First PT would be 76 on the long mark here. Oh, don't you tap it. Gonna move a stop loss to break even because I don't want to get back no profits on the day. We're gonna keep rolling with this, and bang! First one is good, and we're gonna hold. Oh, what was that? Oh, you rang the fucking bell for me. Oh, don't ring the fucking bell anymore. I can't.
100 ticks. 25 points already.
Don't ring the fucking bell anymore, Max. Seriously, I can't take it. Oh!
Ripping, guys. We're fucking moving here. We waited for this all morning. We called area of interest at least 35 minutes ago. And we're moving. 150 ticks in profit. There's about 40 points here. We're filled in at 50, currently at 90. That's 40 points. We're rolling 10 micros, winning pretty light, and we're looking good here. This is the area we wanted all morning. Could have sold to it, could have bought off of it. Whatever you wanted, money's getting made. And this is all entertainment purposes. We're not here for financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Even though I went 350,
selling half here.
I went
just because I feel like paying myself.
I have to trim out and I have to stop over trading and follow my rules. So I'm gonna log off of these Tradeify funded accounts, and I will paper trade for the rest of the session because I'm not giving back profits. I'm up over 10,000 on the morning with Tradeify TV.
Go.
Post to the back end production. Here's all my entries. Here's the same account numbers, and there's the profit for transparency, so everyone can see we do this every day. I don't know how we could do this. Chat, can I get a profit roll? Hold on. Profit roll call. Come on, put them numbers in there. Put them numbers in there. Let me see your red.
That is great.
661. All right, get ready for this. You ready for this? We got 2,000. We got 660.
It's 50 points.
We got up 11K. We got 947. We got 1433, 1800, 1.2. We got 1,000, 390, 1,000, 895 across two counts. 1,500, 500, 380, 500, 400, 1,500. We got 1.4K, 522, 700, 1,300, 321 on micros. We got 2,500, 661, 1,722, 700, 450, 1,500 across one account. 450, 12, 1.25 going 5 times. 1,500, 635, 1,004, 1,004, 1,004. 1,300, 1,100, 850, 4,000, 3,000, 1,000, 758, 338. All right, I'm out. I'm out of breath. Keep it going, chat.
I just started recording.
Miriam, do you want to take over? Nick, do you guys want to take that over real quick?
Listen, we were actually going to ask you if you wanted to narrate the marbles race for us.
I am going to pass out.
Well, you have to. You have no choice.
Nick, I don't know if you know this, Nick. All right, Nick, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I have a weight problem. All right, I have a weight problem. And we're trying to get sponsored by like Ozempic or something, seriously. But they're playing hardball with us right now. They're playing hardball with us, and the reason they won't sponsor us is because Llama eats every episode, and we're trying to work on it. So,
I mean, he's eating eggs and grapes, so it's not too bad.
Right, like I'm basically an athlete. Tell me I didn't just eat a salad.
Basically a salad.
I mean, dude looks like he's going to start running a marathon like in an hour. He's good. He's fine.
Right.
For all of those in the
By
chat,
the way, we're making a new fucking high here.
the
New
next
high.
price
50
target is
points.
going to be 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is my next price target on that. For those of you in the chat who are saying I drink too much energy drinks, I don't drink energy drinks. I don't drink alcohol. I don't smoke. I don't do anything. This is called severely untreated ADHD. So get your shit in order. Get your shit in order.
Right.
I'm
He's
also an
undiagnosed.
athlete.
Let him be.
I'm also an athlete.
Facts.
I love it.
In what sport?
Huh? So
That's
price is driving higher right now.
If you look currently
Looking
at
for
the
our next
price,
target is 7-Eleven.
Price is currently getting a little bit bullish. We are kind of flipping around. This is currently 50 points in profit. Yep. What do you say?
I just eat Indian food drenched in pizza. What does that mean?
So
What the
you drench the pizza in the Indian tikka masala.
Don't get me started
I
on the
never
Indian.
said that. Get him out of here.
Yeah, right. Can we start banning people? I'm in the mood to ban.
Get him out of here.
Get the bans going.
Easy. To be honest, even though we're choppy, guys,
Poser.
even though we're chopping,
Indeed.
this might have been one of the easiest trading days of the week of the month right now. When you clear confirm candle price action bouncing off major levels, this is absolutely easy for me to predict on SPX, guys. Don't compare what I'm doing on stream right now to what might be step 1 or 2. Comparison in trading is the people normally say it's the thief of joy, but it's actually what just will blow your prop account. So I just highly suggest that you guys don't compare what you see someone like me who's doing eight years of full-time trading for a living. We're all having fun up here, but the most important thing is that you guys trade your way, your style, and you have fun while doing it. So all joking aside, this is looking good for a continuation.
I'm such a sweet ass. So don't hear that bullshit. I'm full margin. Let's get in.
Oh, man. So you look at SPX when you're trading anything else.
Yep.
Or you're just trading SPX.
No, I don't trade SPX at all. well, I sell options on SPX. I do a lot of option selling strategies. So I'm a full-time option seller. That's how I make my living, and that's how I've grown a snowball of trading success is option selling. But I also trade futures full-time, and I'm on one of the best. I'm on one of the best heaters I've ever been on. It's kind of weird to say we've won for months. I actually showed my log. I show my logs like I show production here. We show every day the trading live, and we are on an absolute heater. And I am up about $55,000 on the month. So I'm having a great month. It's one of my most profitable months, being only 19 days in. So absolutely crushing it right now.
That's amazing.
I get partialed out on quarter of this position. I have half the position running. I've trailed a bunch. These are all my trails for you guys to see here. I'm gonna get trailed here at 78. 2 positions just got pulled out. 3 micros running at 61, 54, and 53. I'm leaving the last 30% of this position basically at break even for the continuation in case it does go for 100 points.
What's up with the giveaways? Whoa, hold on. We haven't done a giveaway yet. I've been on stream for like 30 minutes.
1,300 likes for the first giveaway, or actually it's the second one. We already did one. We're close. We need like a couple more. Just hit that like button really quick, everybody. We're gonna be at 1.3K.
I'm getting real pissed off that we haven't given away
what's going on here?
A bunch of accounts yet. We need to start dropping those accounts. Where's my people at?
Well, they're coming.
I don't know. What do you think about maybe these shorts wanting to come in?
Nah.
You don't think so? I think we need to get back above 700 if these shorts don't.
I think we're hella bullish, and if we break this high, I want to target 730. From there, I'm targeting the whole top side of orb.
I like that as well. 700 needs to break with volume. That's clear.
Yes. If we break 700 with volume, we can go very aggressive. But if it does fail, then maybe it's shorts. But at the end of the day, I took my one trade that ran for 50 points, and I'm done for the day. Whatever happens with this trade. Some days you make a couple hundred, some days you make a couple thousand, some days you make enough money to retire your whole family. But I don't chase
1.3K on the likes. Let's drop it, baby. What are we doing?
Got it. Okay, look. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 2 50K growth accounts, 2 25K lightning funded accounts. Very, very simple how you participate. We need to set up a keyword here in the background really quick. But once we do, the rules are you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel. And once I drop that keyword, you type it once in the chat. If you type it more than once, you are going to get disqualified. So I'll drop the keyword in a second.
There's the volume.
And then we
There's the
go.
volume. There's the volume.
Am I allowed to drop codes in the chat, or is that like
not a thing?
Or is
You
that
wanna
like
do what in the
900,
chat?
900 people would log in and get an account with some buggy stuff? Production, am I allowed to just like YOLO some giveaways, or what are we doing here?
What's actually going on if we think about it?
Like, what's really happening right now?
If you really think,
Matt,
Says.
Come on here.
now, Matt, I was so polite to you. You said we have a tradition here. You're like, I want you to scream a nasty word right at the bell, and I didn't want to do it. I really didn't want to do it.
I know.
don't
I'm
even
sorry
curse.
to make you compromise your
I don't even
values on
curse.
stream.
I don't even
Right.
curse like that. So for me to do that for you was huge gesture. So we have a fun segment on our show with our guest Matt. So if you would
Okay.
oblige, I'm just wondering if you're willing to spin on your chair. Are you going to stand up and spin on your chair?
Stand on the chair and spin.
stand on the chair and
Right.
spin on it.
Can you spin on
die.
your chair?
Sounds
I
like a
can.
workers' comp liability.
I worry about. I mean, I'll sit and spin. If I like stand
What?
and spin and I
Sit.
fall, I'm getting married on Friday, so I can't break my leg today.
What do you
But,
mean, bro? If she's not gonna love you with a broken leg, then you gotta start questioning a few things.
Nick,
What?
are you willing to stand and spin on your chair?
I'll
Nick's
fucking do
willing
it.
to fly out of a plane. He'll
Let's
fly out.
go.
Yeah, Nick will do
Let's
it.
go. Oh.
Almost died.
W's in the chat for Nick. W's in the chat for Nick. He absolutely let it rip. W's
I
in
wanna-
the chat for Nick.
I wanted to
He's
become a
very
stuntman. So
agile. The
I'm
fact
fine
he
with
stays himself
anything.
is
I wanted to
crazy.
become a stuntman, so I'm good.
Dude, you actually, I'm very impressed. I have no idea how
Look at
you
ES ripping new high on ES. No high taken yet on NQ. This is looking
absolutely
very
let
bad.
it rip. Look at the break there. Look at the break on SPX, and NQ hasn't moved. We're going to tap this imbalance right here. Look at the relative weakness on NQ. Holy shit.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. But I'll tell you right now, if it flips, you're going to have a breakout, a really nice one. But SPX, I have my final SPX price target right here. I have no price target above. You hear this last bell? This is the last dinger price target right there. I have no more alerts set.
If we break through 700 with force, there's the volume.
Max value. There's the last max value and the long.
I have 3 micros up 330 right now.
There's a
I'm
new
gonna
high.
partial one out just to kind of make my chart look cooler and get another little payment out there either.
Listen,
And
I
then
shouldn't
we get
say
rid of
this,
that.
but I'm gonna give you guys some sauce. All right. Wait. I'm not gonna say it. Never mind. This looks
Oh, we're ripping
really
with
good.
force. There's that volume we wanted.
There goes really. This looks
There's
really
that
good.
volume we wanted. I want 730 now. Let's just rip to 730. This is
Oh my god.
it's crazy because when you can talk about it and then be about it, there's a big difference between what goes on in this industry. So as we said about 35 minutes ago, when we were at the 750s, I want to sell all the way to 705 and then potentially 645 and then catch a bounce off 645 all the way back up. All this type of shit just happens after you talk about it. You got to be about it. You get what I'm saying? man?
And this is why ICT traders are bottom of the barrel, the worst. This is why they know nothing, but they think they know everything.
I'm up 275 ticks. 275 ticks in one trade.
That's
It's
awesome.
about and it's about to get real dangerous on this platform.
Llama.
My vape died, bro.
They
Let me
told
go
us
get
we're
a new
not
vape.
allowed.
Hold on.
They
Hold
told
on.
us no, no, llama, no. Sit down, llama. And this is why we get invited to places one time. So I got to tell you guys, it's been a real pleasure, Matt, Nick, Miriam. I mean, I loved meeting all of you.
Hey, we just hit 20K
Actually,
subscribers here on
no need to
Tradeify
fear.
TV, so that might lead to more giveaways, guys.
More
No need to
giveaways.
fear, guys. We had another one.
All right, so let's first do the first giveaway, okay? The codes that you got to put in the chat to participate in this giveaway is TFT because Max and Llama, I heard you like TFT.
TF what?
That's me. That's me. Yeah. TFT.
Mac.
That's the game. That's the game I play on League.
Oh,
TFT.
TFT.
Let's go.
I thought you said PF Chang's.
And we prefer Panda Express on the show. Nick is a big fan of Panda Express.
Really?
And you can't get it over in Switzerland.
I like
No, he's from
Panda
Switzerland. That's
Express
just
because my
terrible.
wife has celiac disease and they have gluten-free options. So I fuck with Panda
okay.
Express too.
Hey.
I like them a lot.
Panda Express is the best thing ever, and we just don't have it in Switzerland. So
Panda Express is
Best
the
thing
best
ever
thing
is very questionable. You ever been to the meat market?
What do you know about
Fair.
the meat market?
That doesn't sound like a place his girlfriend would let him go.
No, no,
if
his
you-
girlfriend
it's
would
probably the best
definitely-
date night spot in Boca Raton. It's the meat market. It's
And you
unbelievable.
would love to go with me and Matt. We would probably take you to the meat market and really indulge.
Yeah, Nick, if you ever come to South Florida, I would love to take you to the meat market. I think you would really enjoy it. Seriously. I mean, the
Seriously.
luxury, the food, the quality. I mean, everything that happens at the meat market. And you're just left so full.
It stays in the meat market.
So full.
well, we'll see. I guess.
One of the best steakhouses in Boca, if not the best steakhouse in
I
Boca.
haven't tried the new one. I haven't tried Gallagher's yet. So we'll see. And to be honest, it's not even my favorite steakhouse in Boca because Abe and Louie's been there forever is like pristine.
You
If we
know,
break
we
through
were all
7:30,
down.
we have a
We were all
clean
down there
structure
not too
shift.
long ago, and I'm kind of mad at Brett now. Like he didn't introduce us to you guys.
You guys were down in Boca, and
Well, we were
I-
in Miami. We weren't in Boca. We were-
Yuck! Yuck! Nope, I will not go to Miami. Ew.
Ew. That's my word.
Oh, update the picture. Gotcha.
No, Miriam, it's actually llamas. I think. Llamas.
What'd I do?
We both hit a pretty strong ew. Like you got to have a pretty good one. We pull
Nice
up
little yucky.
yuck.
Ew,
Yeah.
yucky.
we got a couple of
All
those.
of these terms I use. Wow, look at that. That's how I describe the price action sometimes.
Oh,
Ew. That's what Llama says. He says it's yucky.
Yeah,
yucky.
we're on the
I
same
want to see
page.
if we break through 730 with force, and that will be a full-on structure shift for a 100-point trade.
All right, look, since we're waiting for price to pump up further, and we just hit 20k subs, let's do the marble race now. The last two people that
You
are
guys
going to
hit
cross the
20K
finish
subs?
line.
20K.
That's like 500 subs this morning.
So
Woo!
the last two people to cross the finish line, the last two marbles, get a 150k growth account, and the first two get a 150k lightning funded account.
That's
So
what I'm talking about.
Max and Llama, we just need you guys to narrate that marble race that you see on the screen. Right?
Me?
Yes, we absolutely need you guys.
Shit.
I'll narrate the shit out of it. How do I see it?
Yeah, Max, you do it, bro. You know I'd be vaping and shit. I'd be short
Hold
of
on.
breath.
Oh, I
You
got
can
it.
see it on the in the back room there.
COVID hit kind of hard. You know, COVID
All right, here we go. Hold
hit
on.
a little hard nowadays.
Production.
You see
how
it,
do I
Max?
how do I make the box bigger?
You hit in the bottom right. There's like a little square that you can click.
Picture in picture. Oh, we're so in business. It's a little blurry, but I see it. All right.
All right, let's see. So Drew, let's run them.
Are these the
400
people
marbles.
in the chat?
These are the people in the chat who typed TFT.
Oh, we're getting aggressive here. Give me that 730.
Oh my God.
Shit.
And we're off to the races. As you can see, they're moving really fast. They're moving faster than their trading should probably be going. They're moving. You can tell which one of these people are not disciplined and which one of them are. And we're off to a hot start. You can see they're rounding the second lap right here. This is an unbelievably tight race. There's a lot of traders. Oh, no stop losses for those nerds going down. Absolutely getting dusted. No stop loss. They'll learn that the hard way.
Oh shit.
Oh, we've reached over trading lane, and you can see a lot of traders aren't making it through over trading lane right here. We're going to continue on to the race. We're making our halfway point lap, and it looks like they're running straight off the track. These idiots are just blindly following alerts without having any of their due diligence. They're running straight off the deep end. Unbelievable. It's like some of the racers. We got one breaking out right here. One breakout. He's following his trading plan to the T. It looks like his name is Dong. That's weird. He's trading the third lap. We're rounding the third quarter here, and we are moving. Oh, a lot of traders going off right here. That's called oversizing. Probably should have been trading micros, idiots, but now here you are, 10 minis deep. Here we're coming to the end of the race. It's moving really good. I see Dong at front still. Unbelievable how he's been able to hold this throughout the end. We're coming to the end. Only one thing left. That's your final price target. Are you going to be a dick about a tick? Are you going to just take profit or let it go red? Seriously, what are we doing? Okay. Oh no, Dong just got exploded.
No way.
Oh no, Dong.
Finish line.
It's It's never the rabbit. It's always the turtle, Dong. You weren't patient. Patience pays. And it looks like we got a clear winner out in front here. I can't see the name at all. It's extremely blurry. And we got one in the final shoot.
Olivia.
Here we come. Or did they just, oh my God, they just ran off the side. He just jumped right off. And we got our second winner coming in third place. If you're not first, you're last. Congratulations to
Olivia and Mind
winners.
Coaching.
R.I.P. to Dong. Absolute amazing race, guys. Amazing job. Seriously, if you made it to the
Holy
finish line,
shit.
if you made it to the finish
Nice.
line, you did much better than most.
Well-
What a wonderful race. What a wonderful race. This is some of the best racing I've ever seen, to be honest. Some of the best. It was wonderful. Winner, Olivia. Olivia. Congratulations, Olivia.
What a commentary.
That
What
was
a commentary.
amazing. How do we get
So-
that?
It's funny. We got four people in. I said the first two are gonna get a 150k Lightning funded account, and the last two are gonna get a 150k growth account. So you
Nice.
see it on here. Olivia is getting a 150k Lightning funded. T-Rad is getting a 150k Lightning funded. Red Ghost is getting a 150k growth, and Steve Crutchfield is getting a 150k growth. Guys, make sure to type something in the chat really quick if you won, so we see you're there and you're claiming your prize, and then add your email address to the YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your codes.
Congratulations to all the winners. Seriously, Dong, if you're in the chat, I mean, you got overconfident. You seriously
He didn't
got
manage his position at all.
You didn't
bro.
manage
You gotta
your
you gotta
position.
manage the
You were-
position.
You were in the profit, and that's what happens when you let a green trade go red, Dong. Seriously, so unbelievable. That was fun. That was really cool. I don't know. You guys got some cool shit on this show. It's really
Right.
impressive, the production you guys got. That for
Well, we typically like to take a short right when we drop the marbles. It's like a little thing that we have. It's the
Marble
marble
race
indicator. So typically the market will, have a little pullback, or that's when we short.
What do you mean little pullback, Miriam? We had a 30-point trade with the marble race
What?
indicator.
All right, everyone full pour short then.
You're right. I
Let's
know.
do it.
This day we wanted to get the commentary for you guys. You guys did an amazing job. Hopefully you can commentate the next ones coming up, because we got some fun ones.
I can commentate anything.
Over Trading Lane was one of my favorites.
Yeah,
that was great. I feel like I feel like you need to copyright that. Let's get some shirts made.
Right. Are we full porting shorts now or no?
Nice. No,
No, that's already
what a
over.
range.
That's
Nothing
already
on the show
over.
yet.
Oh.
That's when the marble race starts until it finishes.
Oh, when it starts. Ah, shit. I'm
You in a
sitting
short?
right long. Sitting 256 in profit, by the way. But yeah, we're just hanging out, I guess. I don't know.
Right.
Those are
There's
just
no
hanging
reason
out.
to let go. I mean, listen, SPX is sitting above orb. Everything looks good. It's testing the previous day's close. I think if it bounces here, SPX and Q just needs to find a little bit of strength, like the
Mhm.
Little bit.
tiniest bit.
Yeah.
Yep,
ES
yep.
definitely the stronger one here. I think you could even look, if you're trading ES today for a long, I think you can look for, like, even if we do ever come back to like the 64, 63 area, you can look for a long there, but it's all really going to be dependent on what NASDAQ does specifically in this spot. I think, the 700 was the
I'm
first
partial out of another position.
claim, but then if we can get back above like 730, I think we'll be looking better.
1,000,000%.
I'm partial out of another position. The rest of my partial, my last position is sitting at 90, and I'm officially going to be closed out of the whole trade for a whopping
Well, wait for the
$800
next
profit.
candle. It's never this candle. It's always the next candle that you want to wait for.
I'm trailed. There's no way I click the X button ever.
Wicks
I'm just
back
going to
up.
let it trail me if it trails me.
If this candle wicks back up, I think it's going to be very, very important to a potential breakout. But right now it is breaking to the downside of the zone. Let's see what SPX does. It's got to clear like 56, 57. Well, 56 in a couple quarters, and this thing can absolutely fly.
I want to see us go all the way back to 750. See us go back to 930 opening price. What I want to see. It was just I think we chop today again. I think we just sit in a chop and we hang out. And
Well, there's no news today. There's no news yesterday. There's no
Exactly.
news at all.
exactly.
Yeah, yesterday was hard.
I mean, looking at the 15-minute chart, to be honest with you, we might ride. We might go up today. We might actually trend up today.
That's what I see.
It doesn't look like it has a lot of volume. It might be like a slow, trend, but we did break outside of orb, which yesterday we were not able to do, which led to a consolidation all damn day, which was not the most fun. But today, I mean, clear as sky, you can see that we are currently
At 90, I'm fully out of the position here. If it hits 90, I'm fully out. That's where my last trail is. 90 on the dot.
Do
Man,
you,
what a nice
like, when you
trade.
trade- Oh, I'm sorry. I was just gonna ask. When you trade the orb, do you trade like the breakouts of the orbs, or do you trade the ranges?
Ah, it's a good question here.
A really good question.
Really good question here, Maxie.
That's a really good question, Miriam. Why don't you send me a DM and we'll go over a coaching session.
Figure things out.
Pay for a couple sessions there. Do I get
put it
a
on the
promise
house.
Lambo?
You get a coupon code for 1 free Tradeify account.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm
You
fully
get-
out of the position. There
You
it
know
is,
what,
boys.
Miriam? You know what?
Trade.
Miriam wins a free 50K lightning fund in chat.
Let's
Chat, give it
go.
up to Miriam. She wins.
Miriam, open
a
us the board
free
ticket.
50K
Here for it. I didn't even have
Open
to
us the
do
board
anything.
ticket. The
for
mods
it.
will get to you.
I-
Be sure to open us the board ticket.
I teach advanced like orb strategies, things that I've noticed over years of like really trading it, and I made it very like I made something simpler, but I also added a lot of sauce to my orb trading, and hence why I become like the orb king on social media. Plus, all these other losers who just started making orb content out of fucking nowhere in the last like 3 months, 4 months. That's really interesting. How
How dare they?
yeah, how dare you
Rude.
all of a sudden just start trading orb and become profitable? Interesting.
That's just yucky. That's ew.
Ew, Leo, find your own personality, dumbass. Seriously. That was
Like,
a nice
look at
little
me.
tap.
I am the orb captain.
A lot of these guys are now the orb goats out of nowhere. It's kind of mind blowing.
I wanted to tell
man.
her. I would tell her. You know, you guys don't tell me what to do. Don't. I'll drop the sauce on her. I see the chat. Don't tell me what to do.
Oh
You
man.
can't talk to me like that. No, you can't talk to me like that. Seriously. We will
That is
I'll
sick.
start dropping the hammer.
They're gonna time you out.
This one guy yesterday, this idiot goes, to be honest, I don't like the way Max trades. It doesn't make me feel good. I'm down $1,000.
Sounds like a personal problem.
This is what he says. And then I'm like,
Nice.
that's so interesting that happened to you, because I'm up like $3,000 today. And that's really interesting that I make you feel that way when we're doing shit for entertainment purposes only, you idiot. I don't even know what we're talking about here.
What are we even talking about here?
I picked the wrong day to tell my children to watch the show.
Well,
Or the right day, depending on how
Yeah.
you look at it.
Yeah.
Or maybe this is going to be the greatest thing that ever happened to your kid's life. Get them up here. Let's interview them.
There you go.
Yeah. Get the kids up here. They both just won 50K growth accounts.
Along with me. Everyone
Yeah.
wins a 50K.
Yep. Let's get
You
Miriam.
win.
Miriam, open a support ticket. We got you a 50K.
Oh,
We will
man.
not be talking sauce. All right, chat. Let's do this. Let's do it, chat. What do you guys have? What questions do we have? Let's go. Make sure you guys are liking the stream and you guys are following Tradeify TV, because this is one of the best platforms, and this is a newer platform. They're already over at 20,000 followers. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and you definitely leave a comment. Besides the live chat, don't forget to drop a friendly comment and like and follow them, guys, because they are killing the game. They are one of the newest streams, and there's a lot of YouTube streamers that I absolutely cannot stand that do not deserve the limelight, but these people do. So make sure you guys are following the right traders on social media, and this is one of the platforms that's giving you what right looks like. So make sure you guys tapped in and you are subscribed with Tradeify TV.
what an
Hey.
ad. What an ad. Love it. Thank you.
Lama, when do we get in? I just got out of the trade. Guys, we were in already. Trade's over. Trade's done for.
So it's like, I feel like our entire following just came over here to tell us not to talk about sauce.
It was a solid 85-point trade, guys. I tried to go for the 100. Got cut short.
My social, follow the Big Daddy Max. You don't have to follow me. It's the Big Daddy Max. You could look it up. You guys don't have to follow me. We're not here to follow Max. We're here to follow Tradeify TV. Fun thing though, I am gonna hit 500,000 followers on Instagram by next month, and that's
Nice.
really cool.
That's
So we're
exciting.
Yeah, that's insane.
we're gonna be celebrating. We're probably gonna go. to the meat market, Nick. Seriously, we're probably going to go to the meat
Gotta
market.
go to the
Are
meat
you
market.
not
So I
kidding?
have to fly over and join, or what?
Correct.
Fly over where? Just take the
Correct.
car.
Take the car. Okay.
Take the
I don't know.
car.
I don't know what car you got, but it's gonna take a long time.
I don't want to brag. Cybertruck.
Ooh, okay. Tesla gang here.
Yeah. So I'm doing pretty well these days. All right. Cybertruck.
Oh man.
Can it swim though?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Well done. I'll shut my mouth.
I got my Tesla because of Brett. When Brett used to show off his Model S, we'd go hang out, and Brett would have his Model S. I'd be like, "Oh, Tesla's pretty cool. I guess I'll have to."
This
buy
is
it."
pretty
But
cool.
No,
You got some fun Brett stories for us?
Do I?
Uh-oh.
Do I?
Brett's like, wait, this wasn't part of the deal.
Yeah, Brett's panicking in the background right now.
I know Brett a long time. I know Brett pre-baby Brett. I know Brett, baby Brett. I know. Oh yeah, we got.
I was like, you knew him before he was born? That's nice.
I knew Brett's parents. Yeah, I was friends with Brett's parents. Seriously, absolute degenerates. They just logged in and YOLO'd their options, YOLO'd their son. It was great. It was all good.
YOLO'd their son, and that was it. He was born.
They YOLO'd their son, and then one day Brett showed up in school in a Louis Vuitton one piece and started just saying, "If you ain't rocking DULOL, then you ain't shit."
His first words were "No risk, no Rari."
Yeah.
Literally,
Right.
literally.
First
I had that
words.
on my soundboard for like 2 years. It was Brett saying "No risk, no Rari."
Yeah, that's actually sick.
Oh no.
Nice bounce off the top of orb there. It doesn't get more crispy than a break and retest than that. So if you guys are looking at one of the best candlestick patterns in the game, look no further than that 10-16, 10-17 candle test of orb. Right back into the consolidation period. See what happens.
Right. I think we're gonna get some shitty PA for like at least maybe the next 15 minutes. We're just gonna chop around. Towards the end of the hour, volume starts to pick up.
Drop the
Just
sauce.
hang
We're not
out.
going to drop any sauce. We're not getting any sauce. You know what? If you guys want to learn something, I'll teach you guys something. Here, well, you guys want to learn something? I'll teach you something. Today was an easy day for someone like me, right? Following my strategies, doing my thing. But a lot of you are skipping over the simplest part of trading in the candles. I keep talking about these candles and what they're telling you guys. You guys need to stop focusing on so much advanced shit and just really break down the candles. Now, if you guys understand what candles are saying, understanding the rounding of candles, understanding the market structure of candles, understanding the left shoulders, the right shoulders, and being able to hit your price targets based on stuff like that. And all you need is 2 lines. It's called orb that can give you a clearer picture of where we're absolutely going. But if you look at the morning, you look at the morning drop, you can see SPX hit a severe support level, which was marked out by a previous test at 12:44 the previous day and all the way back on August 12th. You go to a larger time frame, you can mark out your major support levels, and when you see these lesser time frames respecting them, and then you see a candlestick structure break to the upside,
Take the trade.
you take the trade. I mean, you
Simple
just have
as
to have
that.
confidence in the
Trading is
basics of
easy.
trading. People love to overcomplicate this shit, but listen, buyers, sellers, tug of war, whoever's winning, it's not little retail Max and Llama and Miriam and Nick and Matt. That's not who's winning. There's some institution out there who's winning, and we just want to hop on the back seat of their car and take it to the next stop. We don't have to, capture a whole move. We have to capture a piece of the move. So you find out who's winning the tug of war, and you hop on the back for a little bit, and then you hop off. That's how you can be successful. And I can't stand. I bet a lot of you in here. How many of you in here are guilty or about saying these words? Ready? Oh, I should have held that trade longer, or I could have did this, or oh, I would have got out, but I didn't. How many of you say that stupid shit day in and day out after a bad trade or something like that? If you're guilty of that, we all are. We all are. Everyone here. Do push-ups or some shit. Shoulda, woulda, coulda traders that my students, they're not allowed to say shoulda, woulda, coulda, hope. They're not allowed to use words that are based off of past actions or emotional actions.
Motion.
Not allowed to use any hindsight bullshit or emotional anything. You have to be a reactionary trader to what you see in with the price action and the candles. You set up, you don't need a bias. You don't need the market's going to do this today because we did that. If you were that good, you would be working for the fucking CIA as like a superhero. You wouldn't be sitting here with Fat Max learning trading and realizing that maybe I need to work on my emotions a little bit. That's what you guys should be focused. Stop overcomplicating something that could be so easy. I made $10,000 on a funded account today, having fun, following a system that's been polished. That's all you guys got to do. Simplify that shit. And if you're having a hard time trading, you're most likely doing two things. We've pulled up, how many guests have we pulled up, Llama? We've been doing the Big Daddy Morning Show.
300-400 guests.
Probably 300 or 400 guests we've spoke to. And the number 1 and 2 reasons that traders fail, and this is a collective of 300 to 400 random audience members, they are over trading or they're oversizing. Those are the two things that they're doing: over trading or oversizing. If the root principle of trading is I'm going to lose because the statistics are against me and it doesn't matter how good my system is, like a casino, you can sit down at roulette, but you'll never have over a 46% chance of winning because of the green on the roulette. So if you think you ever have a statistics, you are fucking wrong. And that's the same thing with trading. They want you to sit your ass in this seat and trade as long as possible so they can take your funds. But if I promise you, if you take that deep-rooted psychology principle and you do the opposite, stop over trading, stop oversizing, manage your risk by dialing down your sizing and dialing it back up, I guarantee you guys will start seeing profits. You'll start seeing profits. So lock that shit the fuck down, chat. Lock that shit down. Kind of like how the market just went down. Lock it that far down. Lock it as far down as Dong did when Dong was in first place there, and Dong actually exploded. There was an explosion in the race. I can't get over that.
No, we're melting with force right now.
Should we send something to Dong's family or?
A lot of downside pressure here, and I know if I slap on some extra TA that I'm not gonna do, it's probably easy sell there.
There was a consolidation block that it just never made it. It never made it. It wanted to get up to that 730 mark. It top ticked it, and it has just fallen. A perfect break, a retest of the zone.
It was a solid 100-point meltdown.
Was it a 100-point meltdown?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
From
wow.
28 to 23, 105 point meltdown. But I set my clear rules, one and done. First trade winner. Don't need nothing else after that. That's how you compound gains. And I don't chase a certain amount of money. There's people here that want to make X amount of money every day. I want to do this and I want to do that. I don't put a money goal. You put a money goal,
Worst
you're
thing you
opening
can
up more opportunity for failure. Because now, let's say if you want to make 500 a day and you're at 400, you're going to take that extra trade to try to get to your price target. You're going to lose more money. And then even if you do hit 500, you're now going to close a trade early that could potentially keep running. And then you're going to have that shoulda, coulda, woulda mindset in your head where the emotions end up getting to you and you ruin your psychology, which is one of the most important things you have to keep intact in trading. So I kept my one and done, very simple. There was a lot of trades I could have took today. And I found that's what gives me my edge in the market. That's what gives me my profitability, my consistency, the things that a lot of people are looking for. I think a lot of people want this big ass payday. They want like this big day that's like and I always explain it's not going to change
rich
your
quick,
life.
bro. They're trying to get rich quick.
None of these days are ever going to change your life. None of these trades, these 5K, 10K payouts are never going to change your life. If you have any types of problems, a 5, 10K payout is going to put a band-aid on your problem and eventually just rip right off. But
If I get a 5K payout, I'm going to buy a
1,000,
Rolex. I'm going to go buy a Rolex. If I ever get a 5K payout, I'm buying a Rolex.
there is no Rolexes for 5K unless you
There's
buy
not?
a woman's Rolex. And with your wrist, it's not going to work.
I know you're not talking about wrist size.
All right. You see how you always bring up sensitive topics? Like, you know, I have big wrists.
I know you're not talking about the size of wrists right here in front
No,
of
but like, you see how, like, why are you bringing that up in front of almost like 2,000 people? Like, why would you do that?
because you brought it up. No, you brought it up. I said
No,
I
but
wanted a
like you
Rolex.
know your wrists aren't
I
as big
said
as
I
mine.
wanted a
Why would
Rolex.
you bring it up?
No, I said I wanted a Rolex after my next payout, and then you said something about my wrist and that I only can wear women's watches. That's you brought it up.
No. I said you can't wear women's watches.
No, you said the
implying you
only
had
thing
big
that looks
wrists,
good
you know
on
my
you
wrists are bigger
is
than you.
women's watches, and then you fucking made fun of me about. So you shouldn't be talking about the size of wrists, because I don't know if you know this or not, but Llama has the Guinness Book of World Records for the giant wrists. Like there's something with his wrist. He has elephantitis. It's a serious problem. It's probably from gout from sitting on a keyboard.
Gout?
It's probably it's
Not gout.
Did you just diagnose me with fucking gout? What the?
Isn't that where you
fuck?
get like really severe nerve damage in your big toe?
No, I think it's when you get extreme swelling of one.
You know, like honestly, I have a question. Like, are you guys hiring by any chance? Is there any way I can like migrate over? Because honestly, like the environment that I work in, guys, it's very unstable. We don't have an HR team. Like honestly, it's very uncalled for. There's a lot of things that go on through the back end at MOT.
We do have an HR team.
We
He's like,
don't.
it's me.
It's called your band. It's called your band. Get out of here.
It's called your band. Good. With your big ass wrist. I can't believe I broke one of my Legos today, bro. How depressing is that?
That's really sad. Look at the size
Oh,
of
the
this
thing is
candle
that I
now.
double dropped it. I picked it up and it was like half broken. Put it on the table. Table just flipped, and then it really broke now. Just looking at it, 100, 200 pieces on the floor right now. It's fuck.
That's I would imagine if I built Legos and I broke them, I would be furious. Like
I'm gonna
you
just
don't have
throw
a
it away.
manual to put them back. Any setback like that, the setback that it takes, that's devastating work.
That Lego's going to the trash.
Oh, not the trash.
100%.
I forgot to say congratulations on the Llama, guys. Congrats to the Llama. Chad, Llama closed on his house yesterday. Huge congratulations to the Llama. It's his first family house. Him and the old lady. That's a big congrats to Llama and then the wife. They needed to upgrade because of Llama's.
Llama, I'm gonna tell you that I know if you're down there, you probably don't have a basement. But if you ever have a basement, make sure you check the sump pump and get that inspected. That was a mistake I made and ended up with a flooded ass basement 3 months after I bought a house.
I'm about to go long. I really like this candle. I want to see SPX break to the upside of orb here. If SPX gets a closure outside of orb, I'm going long. I think that pullback was great. And I think that long, if SPX, I just want to see SPX get a real close print through here on orb. So it might not be this candle, or it could be. I'll wait for the next candle, but I'm probably going to take a long if SPX can get a print through.
I'd want to see NQ break inside orb. We just rejected orb, kind of nasty.
We did.
On
That
NQ.
relative, bro, the weakness on NQ today has been some of the worst I think I've seen in a long time.
Max, I didn't even tell you, bro. My dad texted me. You know what he said?
He said, "Tell Max why he short Palantir. I hate him. Why he tell Max to go Palantir short."
He said, "Ese Max es un diablo."
What's that mean?
I think he said you're the devil. I'm looking at his position, bro. He's down 7,000 today on Palantir.
He's down how much?
7,000, bro, today.
Bro, the retail, the
700 shares down $10 today.
and send him a screenshot of my YOLO account. It's at all-time high.
He said it to me. I'm gonna send it to him. I replied, ja.
Right, as you should.
I said LMAO first, and then I realized he's not gonna know what that means, so I said ja. He's gonna know what that means, and then he read it and didn't reply. He's probably pissed.
Hefe, I can't believe he got cooked like that.
And bro, I told him, bro, just get in some shorts. You're holding enough contracts where it's not gonna hurt. But you know, like when guys listen to Jim Cramer, like if Matt were to sit here and talk about get into certain stocks, my dad would probably listen because he looks kind of like Jim Cramer. So it's like,
man, I've been nothing but welcoming to you. You're going to
Yeah, right.
Comparing me to Jim fucking Kramer.
that was honestly, that was a low blow. Like,
Yeah.
honestly, that wouldn't fly. I'll take it. Go ahead.
No long confirmation here, and that's why we always wait for the next candle. I say it on my stream all the time. It's not the candle you guys want to get in. It's the next one, and that is the exact reason why. Zero confirmations. I can't believe you just called him fucking Kramer, dude. We are guests. We are guests in his house, and you call him Kramer?
I have a problem, bro. Max, haven't you realized I have a problem, bro? I called Brett Gay 5 minutes into knowing him, and now I'm calling Matt Jim Kramer. I think I'm honestly
my goodness,
just a terrible person.
I think you need to go to talk therapy.
Brett
Brett wasn't even on our show for 5 minutes, and you insulted the guy.
The thing is it really insulting in 2025 to call someone gay? Like, maybe he's like, thank you. You never know.
They're like, sick, dude. What do you do?
Sick. Appreciate it. And then he never even spun on the chair for us. Like, what's that about?
What do you do? Short into newer lows?
Oh man.
Yeah. And then Llama spun on his chair and showed crack. It was the most disrespectful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Honestly, bro, like, I don't even think he would accept my apology. I didn't even know what to say, bro. I didn't think my pants were. I didn't think, I didn't think that, I was spinning where I was locked in.
You're gonna make
spinning
Nick
on the chair.
You're gonna literally make Nick vomit.
Oh, Nick edited that. He spent 2 hours editing a video with my fucking
Nick,
crack
this
hanging
Nick.
out. There's another Nick. I thought you were talking about our editor.
I feel like when Nick wants to talk shit about Americans, he's talking exactly about me and Llama.
No, literally, like we are the spitting image of American.
Well, I'm Swiss. I'm neutral, so I'll shut my mouth.
Doesn't get more. Sick. It doesn't get more.
Sick. Good
Dude,
work.
I cannot believe how weak NQ is.
Yeah.
Like, this is insane. The drop here. Miriam.
Yeah, I expected a chop today. A full chop.
What's that?
The chat said Miriam is so cute though, with all this respect.
Yeah.
What's your ethnicity?
My ethnicity?
Yeah.
I'm Arab.
You're
Middle East.
Arab.
Yeah.
Mhm.
From which country?
I'm a mix of like
mixture.
multiple countries.
Oh.
Like mostly like North African. That's where the hair comes from.
Morocco?
Yeah.
Not Morocco. No.
No, she's
I
from
did-
like hold on. Let me think.
North Africa.
I don't think I'll ever get it.
Is your family from Angola?
No. Angola? No.
You could be there's a strong like Portuguese settlement in Angola, and you definitely could fit the bit there. So are you mixture of Egyptian and
I do have some Egyptian. Yeah. You got one of them.
Huh.
That's pretty much the main one there, but
say
that's where the hair comes from.
Egyptian, Greek, and Sicilian?
Yeah, there you go. Spot on.
Nailed it.
What? How did you even do that?
No, she's full of shit. There's no way I'm spot on.
The Sicilian and Greek sound exotic, but no, not quite.
Not
I
quite.
wasn't even living. I never even heard of these countries.
And what about the hair? Now, what about the hair? Now
Right.
the hair. I mean,
Curly.
hey, super curly. How long does that take to like? Do you curl that, or is that naturally like you?
Oh, that's
wake up-
natural.
It's not a perm. No, I was actually born this way, as crazy as
Nice.
that may sound.
You were born with curly hair.
Damn.
Actually, you know what? I wasn't. I was born with like pin straight hair until like 3rd grade, and then all of a sudden it just turned into an afro.
Huh.
Yeah, it's the weirdest thing. But
Hell yeah.
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 my
You
poor
ever thought
mom
about
had
bringing
no
the
idea.
afro back, or
Does it what?
have you ever thought about bringing the afro back?
I mean, if I brush it out, the afro will
Right.
definitely come out.
I'd love to see that. To be honest, I would love that.
I'll do a
Right.
curly hair routine. You can go over, your orb trade breakouts and invite me on that stream, and I'll do a curly hair routine. How about that?
Deal.
Right.
The chat is right. Y'all haven't asked me about my hair. I'm kind of
Really?
offended, to be honest. That's
Right. No, Matt. How long have you been rocking that one?
Since I was about 25, unfortunately.
25. God
Yeah.
damn.
Yeah, no, I hit about 22 and my hair said fuck off. So it
Were you full porting your whole fucking 20s?
Yeah, pretty
Stress
much.
kinda
I
got
should
it.
have quoted a little
Stressed.
Rogaine a little earlier, I think,
What kind
but
of
that's all
stress
right.
were you going through?
This guy was full porting every morning.
Yeah, you must have been really stressed for 25 to go. We actually have some famous bald people in our chat. We got my
Yeah, there's
brother
a few
Bald
of them.
Dan. So I have
Okay.
two bald brothers, Bald Dan and Bald Jim. They're pretty famous. We got a couple.
And bald.
We've had some bald head wars before.
Yeah.
In the chat, it gets pretty aggressive, to be honest.
Yeah,
With you. So
yeah.
we got to keep the balds kind of locked down because they
Some have
they get-
shine,
they get-
some don't. Yeah.
Right. And then people like to draw like airplanes landing on your head and stuff, and
Yeah.
it gets kind of. It really does. It's a wild group. Now look at, and then Nick just has beautiful hair. Look at it, completely done up.
Yeah, it's nice. Some good hair.
Dude, I can't do anything else but this. Literally, like I wake up in the morning and I look like this. I have no idea.
No, you.
What do you gel your hair before going to sleep?
Actually, it's like my dad looks like this. My grandfather looks like this. We all look like this. Can't change it.
He's like, I'm just blessed. What can I
You
say?
can't change it. You never heard of a haircut?
What do you mean? Of course,
What do you mean?
Of course, I would get a haircut, but like every single barber I ever went to, they try to like style my hair and everything, and it just goes back into this position.
You go to a barber or salon?
It's so long.
Salon, right. Do you sleep with a do-rag on?
What? No, I don't.
Definitely might have a
He
do-rag.
might have a dewy, like a
Right.
like a
That would be-
velvet do-rag.
That would be the last thing I would wear. No, probably not the last, but one of the last.
We used to
things.
joke with him.
Yeah,
if he
what
sh-
do you
if-
mean by
if
the
he-
last?
If he got a little more clean shaven and darkened his hair a little bit, he could be Brett's brother.
Right.
Hey, there was somebody in the chat actually.
Is he tall?
today.
Are you tall, Nick?
Nah, I'm not. Brett is much taller. But there was somebody in the chat earlier who said like they thought during the entire show so far that I was Brett.
Really?
Kind of dumb, but yeah.
Skinny. They just see skinny white guy with nice hair.
Come
They're
over.
like, That's
Yeah.
Brett.
Brett.
That's Brett.
Gotta be Brett.
Gotta be Brett.
Gotta be Brett there.
I would love to see Nick come on the show with a
A
do-rag
Dewey.
on. Yeah, he needs a Dewey.
Nice
that's-
little dewy, like a red
Right.
velvet one.
You need to pay me a lot of money to wear one of those.
How much is a lot of money? We're interested.
Define that.
Well,
Like, define a lot of money here.
well, for wearing something, I would say a lot of money is 10K.
10K.
10K funded account. Let's get it going.
10K.
Easy.
That's it.
Production. Let's get it 10K funded.
Production. Get this guy a
Good guy.
10K funded.
Growth account.
Well, fortunately, we don't have 10K funded, so
We'll make it shake for you.
Get this guy
Definitely.
a 10K funded right
Careful,
now.
I think Brett might just create an account just for that reason. Nick.
Yeah.
well, we're talking real money.
Oh, that.
Ooh.
Tricky. We're officially down 200 points from the open today. Officially 200 points from the open. First thing I said when I got on was I like the shorts. If I just held that, we would have been rolling. But guess who cares about shoulda, woulda, coulda? Nobody, because money's fake. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Money misses, not money gone. Don't forget it.
I like the potential follow-up to this is my last buy zone. It's
Mhm.
10
This
right
one's the
down
chart
to it.
we're
We
looking
do
up
have
here.
an MVG above. The relative weakness is horrendous, but
No, I would love a flip from over here. I really would kind of love a flip from here. Honestly, I think we could get a potential little flip from here. Honestly.
Do you like it for potential long as well? I'm looking at ES right now, trying to test its pre-market low and opening range low here. So if we do get a
Question
flip,
is, do I stray away from my trading plan and take another trade?
yeah, I'm gonna paper trade it. Full transparency. I like the bounce. I want to see a rounding. I want to see the candles
do
pop
like
back
a
up
bounce.
and SPX NQ to show some strength. I would take it right there on my SPX support line. No hesitation at all. Oh, it's up 209. It's up 300 a con, 330 a con.
Yep, I definitely love
Full
that.
paper trade up 300 a con on the bounce right there. Now I want to see Fute Strat 2 break here and test of that MVG above. That is exactly what I'd be looking for.
I'll wait on this one.
I'm,
Let's see what
I'm
happens.
trying this long here. I'm gonna try this long. My stop's gonna be low, the 561 low here.
I'm gonna see what happens here. There is potential for another 50-point down move all the way to 536. So I'm gonna wait on it. If it does go lower, that might be a little impulse candle. If this candle fills this prior wick, it's gonna give another extension to the downside. So I'm gonna wait on that. I have zero confirmation, just bias. So
I
that
see
means I just wait on it.
NQ might be flipping strength right here. I'm telling you, SPX looked bad. It looks like it's flipping strength right here. If we see one continuation candle, not this one, it's going to be the next one. This will pop up. This will absolutely pop up. Here's another double wick on SPX. You just need one candle to pop to show us the way.
We have a nice 20-point jump here, 25
And the previous
point jump.
one, you're starting to see a relative strength flip on NQ because NQ's already begun the rounding. SPX is still downtrending. This is exactly what you want to see. And just like that, I'm up over 330 a con right now and rolling.
I want to see if it goes up a little bit more to
There goes a little
608.
pop. SPX just needs to clear 37 in a couple quarters, just like that. 37 in a couple quarters. I'm up 500 a con. Gonna hold this until I hear the buzzer up above. Stop loss gonna go to break even. Never let a green trade go red. Never let a green trade go red. Want to see Fute 2. I want to see Fute 2 go. Fute 1. I want to see Fute 1 hold. And if we break back into orb, this is game over for the shorts.
Mm-hmm.
And we're seeing that strength on NQ is beautiful. That's what you wait all day for, the intention of your trade to match the strength of the market. Here it comes. There it goes. Bang. Beautiful bouncing. We got some rounding. I'm up over 540 a con right now and rolling. Can we get giveaways from Max and Llama? Yeah.
Ooh.
Fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I want to see a real big pushover of this 600 mark. There's a potential peak here, so this could be a danger area. Move your stop loss up. Move your stop loss up to an area where you're not freaking getting smoked on a retracement impulsive drop. There goes the pop on SPX, relative strength on NQ.
I want to target 640 on this. If we can clear 600, I want to target 640.
I need to clear 610 to go up to 640. 640 is, I have that marked as well. It's definitely a good level, but a break of 610 for me is first area of interest.
Dang, here's a little continuation, and now we're up over 550 a con. SPX pop right here above 38, and this is over for the shorts. Let's see a wick and flip up. Wick and flip up.
See. Dude, let's see. It's such a tricky area where
right here.
Might
One candle. Is all it's gonna take. No. That's
all it takes, Maxie. That's all it takes. The area was way too tricky. Way too tricky.
600 not clearing is not helping this.
I have areas at 536, so that's why I was very hesitant on the trade. I don't like getting into trades in the middle of two fib levels.
And I prefer to wait out there. $100 profit. $100 profit. Pretty damn nice. I will take that.
100%.
Yeah,
a lot of people get pissed off. A lot of people get pissed off because they go from like, I'm up 400, I'm up 450, and then it retraces and they get stopped out for 100 profit. Then they start the psychological, oh, I was up 500, but now I only made 100, so I have to get back in a trade and make 4 to get back to where I was. And that starts the first shovel of you're digging your own grave. I was up and then I got stopped out. Now I need to dig my own grave. And then I'm going to enter another trade. Is there any analysis on this trade? Hell no. I just need to know. I just know I need to get back to 500 green.
Clean break out of orb on ES, and this is the retest. This should be the continuation to the downside. Could go for like 40 points, but
I like ES for sure.
I still don't like. I don't like to take any trades that are in the middle of my fib. They just trade off of the level.
That orb break,
like I did earlier.
The downtrend. Everything is screaming go down except for that gap, that little imbalance in price right there. Just need to wait for orb to break. Some good strength on NQ. This thing's gonna run. Can we do a giveaway or what?
Yeah, I'm actually setting it up with production here. background
Nice.
with Drew, our amazing producer. Shout out to Drew. So
Drew.
we're gonna drop a giveaway here shortly.
Let's go, baby. We are known for our giveaways. We have given away
What's our
over
record?
$220,000 in charity
It's in January.
giveaways. We've paid for children to go to daycare for a year. We've done a bunch of wildly great work for traders, community. We've helped pay medical bills, homes. We've done a lot.
You're under 1 year and 8 months.
Since January. Our initial goal was to give back $250,000 to the community, and we are currently about to hit 220 in August. So the new goal is $300,000 this year to $350,000 in giveaways.
Nice.
Awesome.
it.
That's amazing.
That's really cool.
We also
That's
did
crazy.
we did the largest Tradeify giveaway, I believe, of all time on the show as well, which was insane. When we had Brett, the CEO, on the show, we put him on the spot, and he did an unbelievable, massive giveaway, and it was so much fun.
Nice. That's sick. So, Max, are you ready to commentate another marble race?
Shit, hold on, hold on, 1 second. I will after I finish this trade, because I'm gonna get back in that long right now.
All right, then let me do this. Let me already give the keyword to the community here, to the chat, and then once we pull up the marble, you're going to be ready. So, guys, in order to participate in this giveaway, we're going to give away 2 50K growth accounts and 2 25K Lightning fundeds. For this one, you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I drop the keyword here in a second, please only type it once. If you type it more than once, you will be disqualified, and we don't want that for you. Now, the keyword is a mix between between Max Options Trading and Tradeify TV. The keyword is MOTTV. Good luck, everybody.
MOTTV.
MOTTV.
Love that. MOTTV, guys. Remember, only type it once. If you type it more than once, you will get disqualified. Do not give yourself the little ouchie wawa. Don't do that.
We're rocking. I really want to target a quick trim at 92, and then I want to see this thing pop to fill that freaking MVG. But Future Strat 2 needs to pop.
Yeah, no, it's not yet.
We're gonna look, and this is one of these trades where I would absolutely scale into it. This is a trade where first newer high, I'd probably scale into it.
And just run with the volume.
Just let it go. This is the first one right here. We're getting that first few two right here.
Up,
There it
love
goes.
that. Love
There
that.
it goes.
30 more seconds in this candle. You got to see what it does here.
No, can't. Gotta wait for the candle to close. I know, 30 more seconds, but it's testing that orb right now. I want to see it break that fucking orb and go. Just absolutely go. Run away. Never come back. I want to see it hop on its chair and spin full speed.
Spin. Oh, I would love to see a chair spin right now. Jesus.
I just need it. I need it. Currently sitting up 300, and we're cooking. Oh, there it goes. Come on.
Here's the break.
That orb.
This is good candle closure. We should see continuation. Honestly, it looks
This
great.
is a nice. It's not closing above orb though, so
Yeah, I just looked at it.
yeah. Let's see if SPX can push through. It's making that newer high right now, and we got strength.
There's a continuation. We gotta see. It's got to get aggressive though. Like I'd want to see an aggressive
Bang.
push.
Bang, right there. I'm up 600. I'm up 700. I'm up 745. I'm gonna look to trim my first one. If a psychological level is at 600, I'm gonna sell at 97. I ain't gonna be a dick about a tick, and I'm gonna take the profit before everyone else does. So
Yes,
I'm gonna
sir.
look to trim at 97. I'm currently up 700 and rolling, baby. Just need a quick volume push up. If SPX can break 37 in a couple quarters, we are basically
Looking
carefully
good.
in this trade. Gonna move my
It's
stop loss
looking
up to just above break even because we got commissions and fees to cover. And this is another risk off, completely free trade, baby. That's all I care about. That is
Awesome.
it.
See, 1055. We should get volume on this candle.
I'll tell you what else. I'll tell you something else too. A lot of new traders, don't be scared to enter a trade again. Don't be scared where it didn't work out for me the first time. Don't be scared to enter the trade again on the same sauce that you had that gave you the confidence to do it the first time. Just because you got a break-even trade or a little loss, don't be scared if you see the same setup to freaking dive right back in head first into that bad boy, because you can absolutely make back all the gains and more. How many times do you guys get stopped out of a trade and then the trade runs away without you? A lot of traders, especially new ones, have that issue. Don't be scared to hop back in that thing. We are 4 points away from my first take profit. I'm up 865 on 2 minis here. Just need one little pop-up continuation. SPX just needs to clear 37 in a couple quarters. Relative strength on NQ is good. Future Strat 2 is good. And get ready. First PT. Don't do it. Don't do it. Not another bell. Not another bell. Oh, another bell. We're up over 570 a contract on the long.
Beautiful, Maxi. Beautiful, Maxi.
Stop loss is at 580. That's a guaranteed $182 of profit, no matter what, with zero risk on the trade. I don't care what else happens. Beautiful trade. I do want to ride this thing up. I want to see if SPX can climb 40 more cents, or if it rejects and stops me out. I don't care. I'm going to let the trade come to fruition.
Beautiful.
What do we got? What do we got?
Get that giveaway going, Maxi.
Let's do it.
Ready for the marble race?
Let's fucking do it.
Let's
I would
do
love
it.
to see Mama narrate this one, to be honest.
This time though, the marble race indicator, no financial advice, but the shorts start when the race starts. So, Drew, whenever you're ready, let's drop them.
Oh my God, here we go. Here we go. This is an interesting looking board. We're off to the races. It looks like a army is absolutely marching towards their deaths. I don't know. They're storming the beaches of Trading Normandy. I really can't tell what's going on this in this one. This is very. I can't even see what's happening. What they're racing, it looks like, down to a beach. I would imagine it's a wonderful beach. I would think it would be like spring break.
An elevator
right now. It's like spring break in Miami right now. I think did they all just fall down? They all just fell down. I got stopped out of the trade right there. $182 in profit. That was a wonderful trade of $682 total profit. And they are lapping halfway through right now. It looks like there's multiple lanes, multiple strategies to success. It's never just one strategy. No strategy is perfect. There is a million squiggly roads towards success, except for those idiots that just jumped off. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you even following? ICT? Oh, no. All right. We're going through.
Oh my God, they're just jumping off.
Here. Oh, we're approaching the big wheel. This is like a Ninja Warrior course. I would have been deeply out of breath by now. I would have been absolutely gassed, and there's no way I'm making it to this spinny wheel here. They are mixing them like ice cream. Let's see what happens. Oh, cheaters! Some cheaters. They flew right through the bottom. Dong is not even close. Another explosion. Dong is gone again. They're following through the mixer here. It looks like small intestines. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like small intestines. They are just gone through the stomach. Llama, pay to plate, has just eaten all of the contestants, and now they're making their way to the final mark, which is a Ross paintboard. Here we go.
Hey, and you see that marble race indicator is working. We took
Look at that short.
20,
Jesus Christ, 40
points
points
or something.
Yeah.
40 points from 600 to 560.
What is this
indicator.
game? What is this marble thing? It is
It
amazing.
is a magical game.
It just makes the market go short. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So
Wow,
I did take a short at that 86 area. I got filled kind of in a trash way. I wanted to get more of the 90s,
You're
but I
up
am
40
short
points.
currently. I'm moving my stop to about 10 points in profit. I want to see the 520s. Let's see the 520s if we can get those.
all right.
I had that area of interest at 536. I want to see how that reacts.
Dang, so she's rolling right now, over 35
She's
points.
got to be
in profit.
rolling in
She's
profit.
rolling.
Yeah. Looking really good.
Well, yeah. Well, we took a little bit of a loss on that previous long, but I'm just gonna move my stop to the 64s now. I want to see this flush really come in here.
So every time
All
you
right.
guys do the marble game, the market starts falling?
Yeah, whenever we do the marble race,
yeah.
when we do the marble race, background Nick goes short on the house account, and again, it's working. But let's talk about the winners here. USA, one of our OGs, gets
USA.
25K Lightning funded account.
Let's
Then
go.
Kate Muller gets a 25K Lightning funded account. And then the last two people get a 50K growth. Drew, if you can scroll down. Let's see the last two that actually crossed the
Let's
finish
go.
line.
36 right there. Wonder
Right,
what
so
happens here.
Silvio the Curly Man gets a 50k growth account, and Giuseppe, it's all blurry for me, but Giuseppe gets another 50k growth account. Make sure that you type something in the chat really quick so we see you're there and you claim your price, and add your email address to the YouTube channel description.
Nice.
Fire, very fire. Max, that shit's dope, bro.
Yeah, I don't know how they're doing this marble thing, but I'm rolling my entire
That's some
account.
Drew
I'm rolling-
magic there.
I think me and
my
Nick
entire
both
account
went
for
short
sure.
right at that level. Yeah, I was looking for this retrace here to the 600s. I really wanted to get in on the 600s, but
Beautiful.
520s right now. I'm just moving my stop. My stop's sitting at 38. So we're 40 points, 50 points in profit.
Really nice. Good
Let's go.
trade. 45, 43
Amazing,
points.
yeah, she's rolling.
Your trail's 43 points. You're up 50, 56.
I want to see the 20s. See the
She's a good
20s.
trade.
She's up over 1,000 a con right now and rolling.
Yeah,
We're
that's a
just in one
great
minute.
trade.
I just keep moving my stop to the 528s. I want to see 500 if we can clear. We did get the clear of 5, so I might get stopped out here because we did. Okay, so I just got stopped out. 520s was really what I was targeting. So let's see if we get the bounce here. But it is like close to my demand zone. I show you guys right here what I'm looking at. This demand zone right here did slice through. So we are honestly, if we start clearing here, ES really clearing the 440s. We could have room down to like the 30s on ES, say 428. And then here on the NQs, I mean, we might have room to 487 if we start clearing here. So just got that quick trade here. I did get the retrace. This was the retrace I was looking at to the 600s. And then once I started seeing the momentum come in, I just jumped in on that short. But
Nice job. Insane
solid.
trade, dude. You absolutely
Very
crushed that.
solid.
She just
Thanks,
cooked with
y'all.
gas. Damn.
Cooked up.
She said I got
you
in.
guys
on
have been
that.
killing the
Yeah.
trades too today.
Let's
I mean,
go.
longs and shorts. Make money
Right.
both ways.
It doesn't matter.
Larry,
which way the
you
market
basically, you literally entered when the marble race started, huh?
Like right before, yeah.
Cheat codes. It's cheat codes, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
Trading
See
in
what
easy mode.
happens here.
that was killer.
We're going to sell an indicator for it. It's $10,000 a week.
Yeah.
Monster
Yeah.
freaking
Week?
trade.
I would charge 10,000 a day.
And we only sell
That's what I
5 years
said. It's cheap.
subscription.
It's on sale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys
Yeah,
want the
no,
marble
that's
indicator, right?
subscription.
The marble indicator coming soon. Tradeify exclusive. You guys want the marble indicator? You're gonna have to like, comment, and subscribe on Tradeify TV on YouTube, and then submit your email, and we'll get you on the wait list, guys. We'll get you on the wait list. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I wonder if this pops from here. Interesting.
I'm just watching the candles on SPX, and I do like the little pop there. I do like that little 1-2, but I want to see a continuation. I want to see a continuation or a treasy in this free range.
If it breaks over like 40 and then comes to retest 35, I'll take it.
Right, because NQ is actually showing a little bit of strength right now, which it's been
Mhm.
terrible all
There's
day.
the 40. Now, if I see it pull back to 35, I'll jump in this shit.
Yeah, I'm about to jump on a small long.
This looks really good, actually, for a long potential.
Yeah, I'm
long.
about to jump on
Yep,
that.
it's ripping already. There's the break of 40. If I see it pull back to like 36, 37, 38, I'll jump in.
I'm in that thing. I'm in that thing, and I'm gonna let it rip. I'm gonna let it rip all the way to the previous shoulder. V-shape recovery. V-shape recovery incoming.
Yeah, I would love a V shape. That'd be great.
What am I in for? All right. I'm gonna put a stop loss.
There's the break. Let's see if we get this pullback.
If we get one continuation above 50, I'm gonna boom my stop loss above break even. I got
Watch
it.
the 60s, possible rejection at the 60s, but I think if we clear that, really 600 is that level we need to clear.
I want to see it.
The ultimate
see it.
level.
That was a nice entry you had there.
Thank you.
She hit that,
Very
first,
solid trade.
first red candle, and that was strictly off what? Marbles, or
That was what?
was that strictly off marbles?
No, it wasn't off marbles. I did have a strategy there. Like I said, I was looking for a rejection of the 600, which we did get. Some confluence there. We have obviously like previous rejection. We have the 9 EMA sitting there. Once we got, because I look at the 1 minute when I enter. So once we got like a topping tail candle there, I just entered it.
That was
With
a
a stop
beautiful
at
freaking trade. If
So
we
it looked like
three
a
bar
50.
up, if we 3 bar up right here over 51, I'm gonna scale into the long. Move your stops
looks
below the
good.
previous candle wicks and let it ride. Matt, what do you do? Do you trade?
You know, I'm just here as the pretty face. That's
Right.
what I'm here to
Beautiful
do.
face.
Everyone just shows up to look at me while Miriam and Nick are kicking some banger trades in the background.
That's
Makes
not a bad
sense.
gig. That's not a bad gig, man.
Yeah.
No, it's really not. It's really not.
Oh, yeah.
It takes me a little while to do my hair in the morning to look like this,
Right.
but I'm
Right.
okay. It's
To be honest, what kind of razor do you have? I mean, you probably got one of the handheld three prong, right? What are you doing up there?
it's one of the Gillette Labs one that's got it's heated, so it's
shit.
real smooth on top there.
Heated?
Yeah.
It gets
Yeah.
warm.
This guy gets
It's
payouts.
got a little bar on the bottom that gets warm. If you go real slow, it's just really
You don't need to
smooth.
flex on us like that. You
That's
don't need to
I'm
flex on
sorry.
us
I
like
apologize.
that. You got
Like,
work.
that's super uncalled for. That type
Super
of flex.
uncalled for, that flex right there. If this
You
candle
didn't have to-
closes right here, if this candle closes above 51 and a quarter, this is a 3-bar confirmation, and gonna go ahead and scale into that. Waiting for this candle to close, then you get your 3Z continuation. Looking for it. If it does not close at a high, then there's no entry there. Yeah, that's amazing. So the razor has a warmer on it. That's got to be nice.
It really is. Yeah, it's really nice. It's very.
That'd be
You
Warmer.
shave because you're on television now. You got to take care of yourself daily, right? Which I imagine that kind of sucks.
It does. No, I really only shave every other day. It doesn't need every single day. I'd end up with more bumps than a beginning trader. So I'm
Right.
Yeah, I'm good.
Right.
I shave every day too, but I'm just so juiced up that it grows back every day.
Right. This is kind of the entry I was looking for. This that breakthrough 40 and the retest of 36. Just
He's
going
got
in
a
here.
warmer on his razor. I gotta let Bald Dan know that. I don't know if Bald Dan, my brother Bald Dan, he doesn't have. I don't know if he's got a warmer on his razor.
It's a perfect top. That's 10 points already, right off the fucking move of 36. Looking
Yeah,
good.
I'm up
There's
200.
50.
I'm up 200 right now. I'm rolling.
Yeah, that was a perfect break and retest. Let everybody know we want to see the breakthrough 36, the retest of it, and then you can catch an entry. Do not fear the pullback. The pullback is the entry that we look for, guys. I always tell people I want to give scenarios so I can be confident in the trade. I want to say if this and this can happen, then I do this and this. And it always has to be if and then. That's how I feel confident in trades.
I would like to say thank you for realizing that I've been keeping it very tame today. Thank you. I am doing my absolute best to keep it as PG as possible and respect their YouTube channel.
Right. There's a nice pop.
Thank
Nice
you for
pop.
noticing that. I am up 300, 400,
I'm up 500.
500 and rolling
500 and rolling right
on
now.
the longs. And I'm going to move my
go.
stop loss to break even right now because I will never let a green trade go red.
I think I'm holding this until at least 75.
Yeah. I want to see this. I want to see the max get hit. I really want to see that max get hit. I want to see a V shape. The structure break is really nice. The candles are saying go up. Next trim on SPX. Go to the top of the staircase, baby. 37 to 40. Fucking let it rip.
Got to break through 60, bro. That little structure point that it made where the last pop was, I want to see us break through that, though. Nasty wick out.
Wicks. Yeah. Look at this.
Great pop for a nasty wick out.
Look at this wick. Absolutely. Don't you?
These 60s, watch these 60s on ES, or I'm sorry, on NASDAQ. They're kind of acting as resistance right now.
Absolutely is. I have it marked out, and I don't
That's the area I want to break.
we got to get rid of 56 to 60. I think that's the zone on NQ. It needs to break that 56 to 60. If it does, I'll add a third contract.
I think if we can fill this
try it
wick,
out.
we're going to catch volume, hella volume if we fill that wick.
I'll add a third contract if we break up to that. And I'll take a quick sky. I got my order set. I'll scale into these. I'll scale into every one of these because that's a lot of resistance right there. So if that breaks, I think we're going to see that volume push up. SPX looks really freaking. It's choppy, but it's holding.
Yeah, ES's hold of like 64.41 is clean. Like this nice look below and fail so far is looking good. NASDAQ like literally wicked right to the bottom of that demand zone. So this could go. I mean, if they get the legs here, they'll take it.
Yeah, I really want to see.
I think it goes here. I'm kind of confident on this.
Yeah, I'm putting another buy order at 57. I'm putting another buy order at 57, and I'll trim my first con at 64. And we will go in and we'll go out. We'll go in and we'll go out.
What happens here? We're barcoding right now. I just want to see a print through that longer 1 minute wick. If we can print through it, I think we just rip with force. But if not, just
if FTX gives up this 45 in a couple quarters right here, then I'm going to get out of the long. It's probably going to stop me out anyway on my first entry.
Sports really want to come in. These bears are not messing around today.
Just edged me so close. Yeah, it's going to stop me out probably right there.
Still looking for shorts.
525 on NQ has some buyers there. So watch that area. And then 500 is also going to be key.
Production, they want my profits on the screen. I sent you my screenshot of the Tradeify accounts. I can send you it again. How do I trade? Oh, let me go into Tradeify.
Really wonder if we barcode up or just leak back down and go to 507. Very tricky here. I have a hard stop sitting like at 30 and it edged me 1 point off.
Oh,
We do rip here though, it's gonna look really good. My stop was literally, I had a 6 point stop loss. I scaled in even heavier. I'm in kind of heavy here with 40 fucking micros.
Ooh.
Yeah.
40 micros.
I
Is
have
there a reason you didn't go with just 4 minis?
I don't like minis. I like to pay myself the whole way through, collect partials. When I have minis, it's hard to let trades run. Because I typically catch like 100 points or so. 100 or more is kind of what I go for. And when I can pay myself with micros, it gives me that like leisure of like letting the trade run longer and pay myself more.
Llama's really good holding within his trading system, so he'll let like 3 to 5 micros run 200 points. And for those final price targets, which is something I cannot do. I just got stopped out there. That's something that I cannot do. I'm a quick scalper. I like getting in and getting out and getting my piece of the pie. But I cannot hold a trade long at all.
You're like me. I'm like, if I don't see the momentum, I'm like, get me out of this.
Oh yeah. I wait for those candles, those volume breaks. You get in on one. There's a lot of times where I get on one and I see a 20, 30 point move. That's all I need. That's all I need. Like if you look at my cash account logs, it's not sexy. It's like $400 gain for the day, $300 gain, 400, 400, 600. But I haven't had a red day since like June 9th or something. So you just keep those cash accounts rolling, times it by 5, and get your little piece of the pie. That's the absolute best thing. That's the absolute best thing for me. But holding a trade 200 points, only Llama.
Yeah, I'm
only
like,
Llama, only Llama does that.
We're kind of still ripping here, honestly.
Yeah, we are just consolidating in this area here.
Up 800. You see, so here with the micros here, I could just partial out 900. Let's partial a little bit out here. Take 25% off. Take another. We're 50% out of the trade. Secured 600. Have another 750 rolling.
I'm about to get back
And
in.
then now I can just trail right when this candle prints, right under the next candle. Another 25% here.
Yeah, I'm about to get right back.
And yeah, we're up 800 with the 20.
These bottom wicks look good for buys.
This is actually
just like that. I stopped right under that candle.
This is a first few 2 break potential right here, Llama. This continuation on SPX. I really like this.
You know, I already know that, Big Daddy. Come on now.
This
I
would
think
be
you get the
I'm
clear
locked
of
in.
570. You can get the nice move up to like 600.
Oh yeah, this would be a confirmed
$1,000
neckline
here.
break right here. You get this confirmed neckline break right here. This is gonna go, baby. This is
I'm up 1,000. I'm up 1,200. We're just rolling here. This was that perfect break and retest. Body closures look good. I didn't have a hard stop on 30. It was a visual, and the wick just told me we're good to scale in. And I already closed half the position, and I'm still up 1,200 with the other half, which is why I love trading micros.
Yeah, but with the micros, aren't you getting absolutely dog smacked with commish?
I don't really care about commissions, bro. It's what, like 50 cents, maybe $1 per micro. Like at the end of the day, it's $40. Like it's not that big of a deal with 10
Man, I thought it
micros.
was way more than that.
Yeah,
I think it's like $1, maybe like
A couple bucks.
$2. $1 or $2, but at the end of the day, when you're catching 100 points, like, does it really fucking matter?
Right. Right. Only
You know what I'm
Llama's,
saying?
Llama's got a thing about holding trades like they're best friends. I don't know. I can't do that.
I mean, this trade's already up 35 points. We caught 84 earlier. We're already over 100 points today. And I didn't take the sell that when I got on right when we got on today. I was interested in sells right at market open, and that ran for 250 points.
I'm ready to try. I want to trim profit at my first trim at about 74, but I'm already back up 600 on the re-entry. Cleared that stop loss completely out of the way, and I trimmed one con for 200. So back in the green, if you know what I mean. You guys need to stop digging your own graves. So many traders, bro, they dig their own graves when they get stopped out or edged, or they just like one loss, and it's like, this is chaos. Actually, I think a lot more traders fail because they go green on the day and they watch their green go back down. Imagine being up $1,000 and then you're only up 500. Then you're like, oh, I only made 200.
That's why I play with the micros.
crushes-
I can pay myself.
That crushes a trader's psychology so hard.
Look at this.
Just
Look at
read
the
it.
before. Oh shit. Look at the before and
17.
after on this picture. The picture that I put up here and the next one. Oh shit. The next one over. So I was in with 40. I had already closed half after this. I left 20 running. I closed more, and now I have 4 micros running, and I officially paid myself, and then I break up my stops. This is 4 right here. I have 4
Llama.
micros left. So I just paid myself the whole way through.
Llama, how much are you up for today?
2,025 with this trade open, which is $250. So I've officially secured 1,700 on the day on one account.
Nice.
Very nice.
Sick.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah. Beast mode. Llama, let me hold something. Why? Let me hold like 250 or something like that.
Aren't you up like 10 rackos, babe? What's going on
Hey,
there?
don't count my pockets, dog. Don't count my pockets. I
Like,
said,
what's
let me
going
hold
on
something
there?
for you. You don't come at me like that. Don't count my pockets.
What's going on there, babe? I know you're up, Brad. Let me just get a little. Let me get a little $30.
$30. Shoot. Don't
Yeah,
forget,
I
we have
know.
a busy day today.
Oh, that's what you meant. I thought you were gonna say your
I wasn't gonna say that. I don't even know what you're gonna say.
You know what
I'm so good right now. I can't believe how behaved I've been. You guys
Hey,
should
right.
Max
I'm
and
good.
Llama, your P&Ls are now up on stream in the very top since
Let's
chat has asked
go.
for it.
My P&L 10,100. Llama 1,700. Matt and Nick need to get on the board. They need to get in this long, get on the board.
I'm too entertained right now. That's my problem.
That's the problem a lot of our traders have.
I've seen at
you're
least 10
entertained.
comments in the chat about that. It's like, I can't trade with these guys because I'm laughing too hard. And like, I'm trying to keep it professional and not like be breaking up on stream, but y'all are keeping it pretty entertaining.
Right, but what does a professional trader actually look like? You know what I mean? Like, what does that look like to you, Matt?
I close out of another position. I have 2 micros running now. I might actually just close it
30
at 2
years
per
ago, a
day.
professional trader looked like somebody in a suit with a big old stick up his ass. Now it looks like the 5 people that are on this stream right now.
Now it looks like a guy who has a man bun.
This is the new P&L. 2017.50. I'm gonna leave it how it is. I'm happy with $2,000.
I want to see this push up on SPX to at least 32 here, and that would give me my NQPT, well, at least the place where I'm going to trim one more profit. I'm sitting up 675 right now, and I want to see SPX make this push up.
Solid, very solid.
Amazing. What's the coolest thing about trading to me is like we can all sit here, Matt, with no hair on his head, totally cold head. I mean, it's got to be an ice cold head.
Freezing.
Me with my fat Thor golden locks, and we all
Beautiful.
bond over blowing accounts together. And I think that's a beautiful thing. I really do. I don't think
Don't
there's any
forget
other professional.
Llama with his gout.
Llama.
Can't forget about the
We
gout.
can sit here with Llama, who has severe gout
Severe.
in both of his arms.
Just check on your Bigfoot, please.
And we
Like,
have Nick, Swiss
Big
Nick,
toe.
who remains neutral but did an amazing chair spin. One of the best chair spins. Come on, baby. Push up to
Very
62.
impressive
Give
how
me
he
that
caught himself.
62 push. I'm up 800. I want to trim profit. I want to trim one at 76 in a couple quarters. It's going to give it to me right now. Come on. We are cruising on the.
You know what I love about trading is on a day where the Nasdaq is down 230 points in the red, full on meltdown day. I caught 2 longs and I'm up 2,000. On a day where we're just melting, I only took 2 buys for 2,000. And it's just finding that edge.
Someone in the chat said Llama is not goated, he's gouted. Don't ever say that about my boy again. Get him out of here. Seriously, get that guy out of here. Get him out of here. How fucking dare you talk about the Llama like that? I'm about to trim profit. You're not focused on the right thing.
You know we're gonna hear about this gout for the next.
That was really
3
good.
weeks, Max.
You know our
Yeah,
chat.
you know we're gonna hear about this shit for 3 weeks now. You know, chat's not gonna forget about this.
Our chat is taking notes right now.
Yeah.
And they're gonna have pictures of the Gout King by tomorrow. Our chat is. I don't like this price action much longer. I'm probably gonna trim out one con.
Yeah, I didn't like it slowing down.
I'm
Cool ending the day, you know.
I didn't
2K
like that.
is 2K.
That last candle, if we don't take this last candle out in the next 2 or 3 minutes, I'm just going to take my 5. I'm at 495 profit. I'm actually going to go ahead and trim one out on the drop, and I will re-enter it if I have to.
This short actually might come in here. 574 acting as resistance here. So we need a clear 580. This area right here, if we don't, yep. There they come. Here come the shorties.
Yeah, I didn't like that last candle. I didn't like that price action. If it bounces below this little range, my stop loss is at 53 and a quarter. So pretty close.
Yeah. I would say 53. Getting back down below like 50 would be troublesome.
I don't want to be nowhere near that. I want to see a retest of this previous consolidation right here, and a move up would be huge. This would be the most bullish move we saw probably in the last 10 minutes is if this break and retest continues to the upside. But it is absolutely weak.
Lots of selling pressure coming in here on book maps as well. They're trying to hold these 50s though. They're trying.
Yeah, they are.
46 needs to hold on ES as well.
Could do a very dynamic average in with a 3-point stop loss. SPX looks like ass. It went from looking super good, solid uptrend to ass.
Yeah, hold.
I'm cool with the volume that it gives, and once volume dies down, bro, I'm cool getting out of it. It's that bias that I've had where I don't see us like going like aggressive today. So when I see my little move and I catch my 5-6 minutes of volume, you know, I made my decision this morning. I'm not holding for like a big ass trade.
It's not a level to level type day unless you went long on the higher day. I mean, it's just
you went short. Yeah.
The king today was the break of orb. I mean that drop with volume right there. That
150 point drop.
Yeah,
that'll work.
That break of orb, the break and retest. I mean, the entry that Miriam brought up earlier, the initial break of orb, but that break and retest at 1034 on NQ, that was the most perfect entry of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, it's like fucking next to impossible to figure that out. But looking back at that chart, that's a serious chart.
Yeah, that retest is clean.
Miriam, I'm actually looking at shorts on ES, believe it or not.
There you go. Here we go.
Never even traded ES on stream. I always only trade NQ.
You're looking for shorts. Let's get the indicator running. Let's get the marble indicator running.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Extra confluence.
Should.
Let's get the marbles going. My guy wants
the
to
marbles
go short.
running, and the shorts are good. Shorts are good here.
What better?
At that point, you have nothing to worry about, and you just go 15 minis.
True. Yeah, but I want to see a close on the 5 minute below 46.50, which
I think we need to do another giveaway and get the shorts rolling.
Well, I'll ping background Nick.
Boy,
Nick,
right there.
Ping. Make the code
right there.
here.
All right, I'm taking the shorts.
Here we go.
There it is.
Here we
Get the
go.
indicator running. Come on, my boy got to eat now. Boys got to eat now.
Oh,
Let's get the
I
marbles
like it.
rolling.
I like it.
Break the 50s here, and I think you're good. Well, are you on ES?
I'm on yes, yeah.
Oh, okay, so I would say break 45.
Let's go. Dump it. Dump it for the guy.
Jump it.
You got room to 435. 64.35 has some buyers. I would say
I'm with you on the
64.40.
NQ there, Nick. I'm short the NQ here.
Okay, nice. Joined in. I got my first target at 40, and then
You know, the NQ is showing a little bit of strength.
Yeah.
Yeah.
50s
Level.
need
The
to
way
break
it's
on
rounding
NQ.
is tricky here.
You need
This
need
next
NQ
minute is going to tell us everything.
You need NQ to hit a 3Z down.
They're
I think this
holding
next
five-
minute tells us everything.
Come on, baby. Let's get it for the guy. Let's get it.
let's see.
Equal lows would be huge.
Yeah, that would be nice. Got the 6440 as the first target, and then would leave one runner and trail stop.
Guys, I can't call Don. That only works for longs. I cannot call Don. He's in shorts. I cannot call the Don. We use the marbles for shorts. We use the marbles for shorts, and we call Don on the longs. That's how it works.
Hey, you have an indicator for longs?
Yep, I actually have Donald Trump's phone number, and I
Yeah.
call it. I call
That's sick.
President. I call President Trump, and he blesses us with V-shaped reversals to the upside.
That's pretty cool.
He's usually at this time. He's usually at Mar-a-Lago though, playing
Yeah.
golf. But
He's
he'll
usually
pick up
golfing,
and
so
he'll pick up and make calls.
it's stuff that we get him. We've gotten him on the show a couple times.
Twice. He's bailed me out twice. A
We have it on,
crazy bail.
we've had on video. Llama was down about 40 ticks. It jumped
More,
to
I
like
was down
60 or
80.
70, right? And then I called the Don. Next candle, 100 ticks up. Llama's profitable.
It's crazy.
It was huge. It was huge.
It was actually insane. Yeah.
I gotta say the long looks really good right here now.
Yeah, it looks way better than shorts, that's for sure.
Yeah, this SPX neckline if this neckline breaks, I'm definitely gonna just
I want to see what it does here. This was the area. This was my target for the long earlier. So I usually when I have a target, it's because I think price can reverse from it. So I want to see what it does here. Like if we can break through 90, maybe it continues. But this is the area where it could potentially flip back.
Well, look
from.
at the previous candle on NQ. It made a newer high, which confirms that's a higher low. I mean, if that's a higher low in market structure, you should see continuation to the left shoulder. I think we're going to easily see 93 to 600.
I think I easily want to see you spin on your chair.
The ES is toying with my stop loss now. It was like one tick away.
Yeah, NQ took mine out, my stop off, so I got to go stand in the corner for a little while.
Push up for both of you.
Ay, ay, ay. Let's get some push-ups going. Maybe some chair spins while we're at it.
But I already did mine, so
You
Might
did.
as well-
You did a
might as
good
well
one.
keep
Yours was really good. It was good. It was aggressive. It was fast.
all right, I'm out of the trade.
You take your time. Slow down with
I
it.
got bottom
Enjoy
tick.
the chair spin. Miriam, does your chair spin? That's so interesting that your
It
chair spins.
does.
Wow, I
Yeah,
didn't
we're
even
gonna
notice
need a
that
chair
until now. I
spin.
didn't even notice your chair spins until now.
I'm sitting so still. I'm so focused.
She's locked in after that banger trade. She's like, shit.
Oh
Really
man.
it really makes me question that if we could get to like 2,000 likes, I think Miriam needs to spin on her chair.
Ooh.
You know
Chad,
what?
you
That's
heard
the
it here
workers'
first.
comp liability. I don't know if anyone wants to take that.
While we wait for that to happen, why don't we run another giveaway?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So, guys, for those of you who didn't get it by now, in order to participate in this Marble Race giveaway, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I drop the keyword here in a second, only type it once in the chat. If you type it more than once, you are going to get disqualified. Now, the keyword, I mean, we're running marbles, so the keyword is going to be dump it with an A.
Damn
Damn,
it.
you said that so good. It sounded just like the meme.
It's, you got to say it with a French accent, you know. Dump it.
Right. Damp it.
Damn it.
Thought it was doomp it. I thought it was with two O's. Like a doomp it.
Doom it.
Yeah.
Damn
That's
it.
great.
Code
Very
off,
interesting.
30% off all the accounts. Tradeify. I am loving my Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. We are cruising on those bad boys.
How long have you been trading them for?
In total, me 8 years now. 8 years and
No,
like 2
no. How long
weeks.
have you been trading the Tradeify accounts for?
I have been trading Tradeify since we put Tradeify in the Discord probably about 3 months after it opened, so probably about 9 months ago.
Okay, nice.
About
Early
9 months
adopters.
ago. What?
Early adopters. I like it.
But Brett was texting me when Tradeify's first initial website came out, bud.
Dang.
Well,
We just celebrated our
1 year.
anniversary here.
1 year anniversary.
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah, I know. I was telling him, I was like, man, I can't wait to find out what you guys are doing for the 1 year show. That's going to be crazy. It's the fastest growing prop in the game.
Right.
It's got by far the best back end tech in the game. The dashboard is a
Right.
breath of fresh air to just even log in.
Craziest dashboard.
It's the only prop firm in the game with a dynamic journal that helps traders learn better from their losses and their trading. It's the
Okay.
only prop in the game with a straight to funded that's been consistent with 0 denied payouts. And it's the only prop in the game where the CEO is going to YOLO 100 grand and shit on Twitter. So,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
why I fuck with it? Why I fuck with it heavy? I mean, how could you not love that?
Absolutely.
With a choreographed chair spin. He said he was going to choreograph a chair spin for
He
us.
said he was going to hire choreographers to make a chair spin. Yeah, Brett owes us a chair spin.
Yeah, he owes us like a
But
mean
he's
one,
not
though.
going- he's not going small. He's going big.
I want to see you guys chair spin. Like,
It's
Oh,
all over the internet.
it's all over the internet. We
All
have
over the
we have
internet.
famous chairs.
we need to see it on Tradeify TV though. Like, it wouldn't be a real chair spin if it's not on Tradeify.
What was
TV.
that price you were talking about? 10K? I'll do it for 5.
That's for the Durag.
Yeah, I'll do the chair spin for 5.
All right,
I did it- I
when we
did a
hit,
chair
we
spin
hit-
for
when we hit
free.
2,000 likes, I will do my chair spin with Miriam.
Oh shit. Okay.
Ooh,
2,000
now
likes it
we're
is, guys.
talking.
We're doing chairs.
I might need to change my shorts.
Got sunflowers on them.
You got.
No, I'm not wearing drawers.
I was gonna say you might need to put some shorts on.
Yeah, not wearing drawers. I'm 6'6". It's very hard to get on a chair and perform when I'm very stage fright.
Right. I can't believe I broke my leg. I'm just looking at it on the floor. There's like 200 pieces on the floor. I'm cooked.
Well, good thing you're moving.
Right. No, that was my biggest fear is that moving, bro. I have so many Legos. I'm like, bro, I'm probably gonna
God,
break some on
If
the
you're
way.
not telling your people to log into this stream right now and start liking this shit, then you are wrong. It is at 1.6. It's only like 200 likes away. It's literally only 200 likes away. Who doesn't want to see Miriam spin on her chair? Are you guys
With
crazy?
Max.
Wait,
Are you
I just want to know like where this came from. The chair spin.
We cannot
were
talk
interviewing.
about it on this
We were interviewing
platform.
someone, and I just stood on my chair. And
Right.
And I stood on my chair and I fell off and it was bad. I hit my
Right.
head. It was really bad. I tried to flex and stand on my chair and it was terrible. I fell right off. I busted my ass. It was terrible. And then after that, it kind of just became like I bet Llama couldn't do it. Llama is an athlete. He did it.
It was the
easily.
first one to do it.
He did it easily. And then we started, some of the people in the chat were like, I'll spin on my chair, you idiots. I'm like, no, you won't. And then we just started getting like 50 people sending us videos of them spinning on their chairs. People were doing it upside down. They were doing headstands.
Oh
They were
my
doing
God.
craziest shit. And then we started asking all the guests, so what do you think about spinning on your chair
For a free account.
for a free account? I mean, you're
They
trying
started
to,
doing it.
Hey, and I did it for free. I feel like I got scammed. Damn it.
Dang.
right. Miriam got a free 50K. You didn't get nothing.
You didn't get a full spin.
I didn't even have to do anything. I got a free 50.
Yeah, but you're about to do something in 200 likes. Yeah, so
Hey,
we made it a whole thing, and it's been really fun. We've become like the chair spin people.
We're the chair spin guy. We don't even trade. We just spin on our chairs.
Yeah. If you guys can see the gifs, we have a community of 50,000 fun, wild people in our awesome. Shout out to the Discord watch party. They're having a watch party of the representation from Big Daddy Max and Llama. I know there's been like 700 people there just having a watch party. We appreciate you all.
We open the
checking us
Discord.
out
We
on
probably got
Tradeify
chair spin
TV.
gifts going on right
You
now.
can't post GIFs. You can't post GIFs on YouTube. And if you could post GIFs on YouTube, we would be absolutely
I'll
rocking.
be here
right
in a heartbeat.
You guys would see us
Game
spinning
over,
on our
please.
chairs, but it'd be like 1,000 gifs of it.
Yeah, they got the gifs going right now. I'm looking at the watch party right now. They got the gifs going of the chair spins.
Shout out to the watch party. Get the chair spins going. Let's make sure we get Nick added to the chair spinning wall of fame.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
So Newbie Miriam.
It's pretty dangerous. Like we've had a few elderly people do it, like let's say 60, 70 and above,
Yeah.
spinning on chairs.
Yeah, real scary stuff watching a 70-year-old man get on his chair.
Yeah.
Did
Interesting work.
60-year-old become elderly? Is that when we're drunk?
Oh, he was like 70, 60, 70. I mean, really everyone's elderly. Like I'm pretty young here. I think I'd call all of you Unc here. Sure.
No,
There's
Nick looks
context,
pretty.
yeah.
Nick looks pretty young. Matt's got to be the oldest one on stage. He with the bald head.
Remember, he's been bald since 25, so you don't
Oh, right.
worry.
That's
He's
only
gonna be like
26.
29 right now.
Yeah, I'm 26 and a half. What are you talking about?
That's what I'm saying.
People don't believe me when I tell them that I just turned 21. But just trading has been so rough. You know, it's just such a stressful
Man.
year. I just turned 21 years
Rough.
old.
You know what? We should get a marble race going. So Drew, feel free to pull it up.
It's dumping already. I feel like you already
Strong
started
pressure
this.
coming in here. Very
Yeah.
strongly.
So winner gets a 25k Lightning funded account. Last place to cross the finish line, last marble gets a 50k growth account.
Max,
So,
look at the chat.
Let's run it.
Greg, it's old man Greg. He was the one spinning. He said, "Take it easy."
I'm going short. I'm going short right now at the beginning of the race. I'm going short. I'm not even going to freaking wait on it. The race has begun. We got all these people going. It looks like they're going down a water slide. Seriously, what water park is that? I hope it's water.
It's wild waves.
Chlorine in there. Oh my God, they're going through the pool. It's some of the fastest swimmers I've ever seen. No pun intended there. Right, they're going through the funnel. Nice, you just fell off, idiot. Seriously, you just popped your account. Better reload. Code dog is 30% off. Don't horse around. Looks like we're having a Jesus. They're putting them through a meat grinder. And then they're smashing them with double sticks. This is some of the most intense racing shit I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at them go through the meat grinder. We're in this floating planet right here, and look at it. It is really ripping. Now they got to go through this like sticky, spiky pad. I'm not sure. Lugman is taking it away. He's moving. William Cruz is right on his ass, but Lugman is sticking to his trading plan. There is nothing in Lugman's way. That's what Dong thought. Then he exploded. So let's see if Lugman can bring it all the way home. He is cruising. He is going to the bottom. Let's see what happens. Oh no, the Zen Goddess absolutely ripped right past. Had no shot. The Zen Goddess ripped right past. Lugman, second place, had no idea. Coming from behind, YOLO fucking trade. Congratulations to, I don't know where the finish line was there, but I think
Ashton Lamb, Jason, Wet 2 Active, Joe S, me, Kenny, Morning Bear, Believer,
where
Anton
did all
Down
those people
Under.
come from? I
had
only
no
saw
idea.
Zen Goddess.
So winner is Ashton Lamb is getting the 25k Lightning funded account, and last place
Congratulations.
not there yet. So we gotta wait.
What
But the
what
fire
happened,
fire
though?
of doom is coming now. It's gonna
What
burn
is
them all.
Eric Hill doing up there? Get
How's
down
he
from
up
there.
there?
Well, they're gonna get flamed. They're gonna get flamed now.
Robert
know.
Tier in absolute last place. You are doing a terrible job. You are
Nah, getting
not
flamed.
the best racer. Robert
And
Tier, he's
gone.
barely moving. Let's see which one was going to make it there.
Oh shit, the fire's coming up.
Robert Tier's about to get set on fire. Oh my God, he's flamed. Oliver Doo-Doo, congratulations. You are last place. You are Mr. Irrelevant.
So Ashton Lamb got a 25k Lightning funded
Wow.
account. Make sure to type something if you haven't
Eric
already.
Hill, save me, Max. Dude,
And-
what were you doing? Seriously, what are you doing? I look up, you're 40 feet in the air.
And last place, Drew, can you scroll to the last place? Can't see it because of the chart. I think. Oh, it was the last. There you go. Last place is. Wait, my screen is so blurry.
Yeah, mine
Can't
is
tell.
too.
Tevin Chase 777. Angel number, Miriam.
Oh, let's go.
Oh wow.
Tevin Chase 777. You get a 50k growth account. Make sure to type something in the chat really quick. Congrats.
I don't know my screen. I was seeing Zen Goddess in the front. I must have missed some people, or how does it work at the end there?
It's just chaos, complete
Yeah.
chaos.
Right, because I could have swore I saw Lug and Zen Goddess. absolutely running away with it, but I guess she fumbled at the finish line. Maybe she tripped and fell or something.
She's spinning on her chair and fell off.
Maybe she was spinning on her chair the whole time.
Yeah.
Ask the
That was a
man.
consolidation indicator. We better dump it right here. The marble indicator. I paid top dollar for the marble indicator. I'm waiting for the dump right now.
You had the beta version for free.
you didn't pay to play, man.
I didn't even pay for the premium version. I'm lagging.
Sure.
You need to read the fine print next time.
Girl, I don't even know how to read.
Right. I know that's right.
Yeah, I know that's right.
I'm terrible at reading.
This has been absolute fun. I just love giving away. Like giveaways is the absolute best. Gotta
Oh, we
give
love a
back.
giveaway. We love a giveaway.
It's the best. That's what makes it like the trading. Our show is like 20 minutes of trading and an hour of interviews and giveaways. Yeah, we just be giving shit away. It's the best.
Spinning on chairs, giving shit away.
Then Goddess, you did get robbed. No, you seriously got robbed. I'm telling you, I saw your shit right in the front. You were killing it. I don't know what happened at the end there, but I thought you were doing a great job.
Ooh, these shorts might want to come in for you, Max.
They were cooking. I mean, that it's that same area that 90 was rejecting clean. That was the area we needed to break to get bullish, and that's a solid 30-point retrace off of it. Like,
I'm looking. I'm up.
trading is very
200.
easy.
I'm up 200. I'm looking for just a small.
What are you playing exactly right now?
Just looking for a small little push down. What?
Which instrument are you playing, or which indice are you playing?
I'm playing NQ.
NQ always.
NQ. Okay.
I live and breathe NQ.
NQ is Bay.
Yeah, NQ is bad. I mean, I'm talking about trim and profit, 6 points. Currently sitting right at break even. We'll see what happens. Yo, Max, I got kicked out of your server. Why? Probably because you're a dumbass. I don't know. I'm not there. I'm literally on Tradeify TV, buddy. How can I answer that question?
I love when they ask why. Like, you tell us why. You know what you did. You know what you did. Tell us what you did. We don't fucking know.
I ban people all the time, and then I wait 30 minutes. They start tagging my social media, and then I wait an hour. I get an email. 2 days later.
I'm really curious what somebody's got to do to get banned from your Discord.
Yeah, me too.
We banned 60 people a day.
It's a wild free for all, but it's very easy to get banned from our server. Like one of the big ones is we don't tolerate any staff disrespect. Any. If you say anything to my staff that any average person would take as disrespect, you get no. It's a no tolerance policy. You get banned. If you post anything very sexual, you get banned automatically. If you say something, we have like the standard guidelines, but other than that, it's basically a free for all. It's a free for all. You could do whatever you want. The biggest one is probably disrespecting the staff, or saying something out of line, like towards one of us. You get if you talked about cryptocurrency, that's an easy one. Yeah.
Easy ban there.
If you trade crypto. Promoting another business, that's an easy one.
Begging is a ban too.
Begging,
if you beg,
we give away so much stuff. I mean, we give away thousands of dollars of shit every single week, thousands. And then you have the people that just come in the Discord, literally just begging for free shit. Like, just that's their gig. Yep.
Tough.
Yeah, you guys would be surprised. Like, we're very we have a lot of fun. We're very lenient, but we ban like 40 to 60 people a day. Easy.
A day. It's all just the scammers and spammers. You guys know how it is. You've been in the industry. Like, when you run a free program, it's brutal. It's brutal. So we have the best moderation staff. They take care of the server, helps, trying to keep people secure of spammers and scammers. And I have 1 million followers across my platforms, and dealing with that. And we have at least 30 fake maxes try and get in a day, 20 fake llama. Like, it's insane. We actually have to ban, for security reasons, like 60 people a day.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's on top of the people who are just acting out and everything. So our staff, shout out the moderator team, and they do it 100% for free. They do it 100% for free. We have a tipping jar, and that's what they get paid every month, is a tip jar from the community, and it's badass.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's badass.
Shout out to the banners out there doing work.
Yeah,
That's a lot of
no,
work.
they banned
Those hammers.
they banned no question. I think they even banned Tory trades.
They actually
They banned it.
so we had Tori come on the show, and yeah, they did ban Tori. Thought it was a fake Tori, and they banned Tori. And so we couldn't figure out how to get her on the damn show. And then I said, you need to go back through and unban every Tory. And then she was one of them, and she was like, "Hey, don't know what happened there." And I was like, "I know what it was.
Yeah,
JJ's an idiot."
Poor
yeah, it was
Tori.
fun. Yeah.
Tori's
It was a good time.
Shout out to T. I love T. I think she's
He's
awesome.
like, I'm just trying to trade my trend lines here, and people are banning me. Like, what's going on?
No, we played it off. I don't think we told her we banned her. Technical difficulties, Discord's tripping. She was banned.
Ripping.
Guys, I can't believe we're still sitting at 1.7k likes. No one wants to see Miriam spin
Apparently not.
on
It's
her
okay.
chair as bad as I do. This is insane. What are you drinking? Ew, what is that?
Oh, I'm ready for this. I'm ready for
my
this.
drink
Don't
out.
let her off the hook on this.
This is, what do you mean? This is, I told you, this is my matcha drink.
Ew.
I went on a matcha huasca retreat yesterday.
You did ayahuasca?
Did ayahuasca?
Machawaska.
It's a matcha huasca retreat. Apparently, I was gone for a couple days, and apparently I went on a matcha huasca retreat. Not really sure what that means, but
You just go in the wild forest and like drink a bunch of different wild matchas?
yeah, something like that. Something like that. I
That's
think there's
pretty
only
sick.
like
Where'd
one.
you do that
kind,
at?
but yeah. Where did I do that at? Is that the question?
Yeah, like what state was that in? Like where do you
was that at?
Apparently in
California?
Hawaii, they have those. So
Wow, so you can go to Hawaii and do matchawaska. That's sick.
yeah.
And what kind of
Yeah, right off
experience
the streets
like
of
how was the
Waikiki.
experience for you overall? Were you like, I mean,
You know, it was great. It was great. I didn't bring back any sort of matcha with me, but
Right.
I was actually gonna ask if you're a matcha drinker. Apparently you're not, but you know.
matcha, matcha, the grass, like the green drink that you have in front of you.
Not quite grass. It's more like a green tea. But
Yucky.
Yeah.
okay. But I do have to know. Coffee drinkers?
Oh
Both
my,
of you?
you have no idea.
Okay.
I am
Ice
like,
or hot?
$15,000 coffee machine.
I'm like a coffee hobbyist,
Enthusiast.
enthusiast.
Snob.
I have the fancy coffee bar. I built a coffee bar in my house for like the machines and the different beans, and I get beans imported. So I'm pretty big in the coffee game.
Okay, so iced or hot?
Hot all day, every day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hot.
Thank you.
What is
I'm
not
gonna
a
say
part
this.
of
You
attention on
you
this
can
show
take
in the
this as
past.
you want, but I'm going to say this as it is. Iced coffees are for women. It is what it is. Iced drinks. If you like iced drinks, that's for women. You got to have your coffee. I want my coffee literally the first sip for me to be like, ooh, I can't drink that yet. It just burned my tongue. And then the second one is that perfect, burning hot sip.
What the can you tell me what are you tasting right now when you drink matcha? What does that taste like?
Got to be very earthy, undertones of dirt, nice hint of fresh cut
Arugula?
lime.
I don't understand.
I think, Llama, when you get to your new house, just go out to the front yard and just lick the yard. And that's about what you're going to taste with matcha.
Ugh,
No, but
yucky.
it can't be that bad, right? I don't think it can be that. Or
It's an
can it be?
acquired taste. I will say that it is acquired taste. Yeah, it's kind of like if you want to take it the forest route, like the forest decided to hug your tongue, right? Like that's how I would describe it.
The forest decided to
Yeah, the
hug
forest.
your
The
tongue.
forest.
Ew.
Not the drought.
Ew.
It's the forest. The forest is, it's therapeutic. It's calm. It's nice. It feels good, right?
The
It's
forest
like
gives
the
me-
trendier cousin who does Pilates at 6 a.m. Like that's how it feels like drinking a matcha.
What?
the forest gives me raging anxiety.
And you
Or
like
no.
doing that? You like drinking it? Why don't you just drink
At
water?
first, I didn't. To be honest, it was because I was drinking too much coffee and I was getting the caffeine highs. And that's not good for me. My heart was starting to palpate. I was like, listen, me as a trader right now, this combination is not a good mix. So
Right.
I was like,
you ever
you know
thought about
what?
decaf? Drinking decaf? You force yourself
Decaf?
to drink grass?
I'm not a loser. I don't drink decaf. What is that?
You're drinking matcha. You
Like a
force yourself to
fucking,
drink grass because it's part of a trend.
come
That's
on.
disgusting.
Decaf? What is this? No, it's the and then I was like, oh, let me try matcha, and I looked at the health benefits of it, and it's actually really good for you. It's good for you, and it doesn't give you the jitters that caffeine does for coffee. And so I'm like, you know what? Let me just
Good
try
for
this,
you.
try it out. I like it. I like it.
What do you drink, Matt?
I'm just coffee, man. Coffee, a little cream, and a little sweetener, and that's it. I'm not a complicated dude.
I would have thought you were more of a black guy.
Right. I thought he was a black guy too.
Yeah, I thought you were a black guy.
You look like a black guy.
Well, thanks. I mean, I'm from the Midwest, so I'm as white as they get. So
Oh.
yeah.
Oh,
Maybe you should have Matt wear a do-rag this time.
I thought. No,
Right.
I definitely thought he liked his coffee black. But I mean, if
No,
you're
just
French vanilla
a
kinda
little
guy, I
a
mean,
little creamer, a little
it's okay.
sweetener. It's not that bad.
Yeah, I thought he was definitely just.
I took another ES short trying this setup again.
Max, are you still in your short?
Literally the same thing.
Oh hell no. Hell no.
Nick trying to remind us we're at a trading show.
We always forget that. We always seem to forget that we're on a trading show.
Has
We do
Nick
it
showed you
every
his
day.
vodka bottle yet? Nick just mainlines vodka the whole show.
Yeah,
Does
all
he
the
It's
really?
time.
normal. Max, is that not normal?
It's pretty
That's what we do
normal.
here.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, that's what real trade. I mean, she can't drink coffee because her nerves get too wild. He drinks vodka to settle it back down, a little up and downer. I mean, it's a perfect
Upper
combo.
and a downer.
How
Yeah.
many drunk podcasts have I had, Max?
Everyone.
Every single one. I haven't missed one yet.
We do a thing. We do
disciplined
the
and
Traders and
consistent.
Haters podcast. It's actually filming tonight. We film in front of a live audience in the Cord, and Llama gets drunk on every single one of them, and then the production team writes us this whole script and this whole planned out.
We never
thing.
go
It
through it.
usually takes us about 3 weeks to get one done because we just lose track and start riffing on random shit.
We always
It's actually
started off
labeled
with
the
a
worst
simple-
trading podcast in the world.
We never
It's-
talk about trading.
we don't talk about trading at all.
We started off every time with the easy hot or not.
Not even ask.
First thing.
We should
Matt,
hit
Matt H. Let's
Yes.
be honest here. Hot or not? Like we just look at him. Hot. Like off
Who-
rip.
hot. Yeah.
Wait, who am I
no,
looking at?
Like off rip.
Hold on.
look at
Actually, you know what,
yourself.
Matt? Can you back up a little bit? Can you just back up your lead and lip? Yeah, there's undeniable evidence that if we're playing hot or not right now, Matt's hot. All right. First of all,
Thank you. Appreciate that.
and we have evidence. We have evidence. One, the razor's heated up, baby.
Yeah,
It's not-
razor's
there's
heated.
there's no heating element on that razor. It's just him doing the work. So
right.
I mean, I didn't want to say that out loud, but you got it.
yeah. One guy in the chat says Matt might be my real dad.
I don't know. Well, how old are you? That's the opportune question there.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I wonder how many kids that he just left out there when he had hair. Jesus Christ.
When you had hair, what was it like? What did you have? What color is your hair?
It was kind of a light brown borderline blonde.
Ooh.
light brown, borderline blonde. And what
Mhm.
kind of hairstyles did you rock?
Well, I mean, this was you forget this was almost this was a little under 20 years ago. So the hairstyles were a little different. I was never rocking something as suave as Nick is right now.
Right.
But no, it's just kind of I didn't have to do much. You know, it's just kind of that like JJ Redick in college, kind of just a little musk, but it looks good. And
Redick.
Well, Matt,
AJ Redick in
I
college.
mean, Matt, we have a video of you with your hair, so we can just pull that up, you know.
Oh yeah, let's get that up. I'd
well,
love
no,
to see that.
Nick put. I want to stress this is an AI video, and the fact that
Yeah,
it's
that's
so
not true.
good scares the shit out of me. But
Matt,
it's
Prove
Huh?
it. Prove it.
yeah, you're right. My bad.
Prove it.
It's real. It's real. It's
All right,
definitely
let's
not
take
AI. So
Kind of-
Drew's gonna pull it up here in a sec.
Matt was a what? Whoa.
Watch your mouth, Glenn.
Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Fellow Redbeard, huh?
No, he's Glenn's getting a
Right,
5
there
minute
it is.
timeout.
I didn't
for
know
that
we were
one.
There
just
it is.
swinging the hard R's like that.
Look, that's definitely not AI. Okay, that's real hair.
Dude, that's not AI. That's you putting on a wig.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Okay. No, that is actually AI, but that is
Yeah,
something
dude,
I would
that is
do if
not
I had
AI.
it. So that's the scary part.
That's literally you putting on a wig. Did you rock a afro at one point or no?
You know, I never when I was really young, I had curly hair like toddlers, but it was never that big, unfortunately.
Mm. Terrible. Sorry for your misfortune.
It is what it is, man. That's, genetics are what they are.
So Nick, you're currently in this short right now then.
Yeah, but on ES. Again,
On
I'm
ES.
trading ES today. Miriam, like, come on.
Man,
That's
I
crazy.
know.
huh?
I've been trying to get you to trade ES on the stream for a minute now, but hopefully she gives you the move. This is
Well, I'm already pissed because of the first stop out on ES. So
Super chat. I know. I feel like I did ask for it, chat. I did ask for it. I tried to get the donos and the super chat and everything locked in for today, but I think there's something that they got to work on the back end. But I think if we come back on the show, I promise there will be donos and super chat.
Oh, we had no donos this whole time?
No, they haven't been able to do
No wonder
donos
it's
and
been
super
calm.
chat. I know. They love it. They love it. I don't know if you guys know on like the streamer stuff, but our chat goes absolutely insane. There probably would have been about 400 fat jokes for me and Llama if people will pay $20
Just to call us fat.
just to insult me and Llama. It's pretty gold. What are you drinking, Llama? Ew.
Matcha. Like, seriously. Look at this. This is mango yogurt.
Jogurt.
Mango yogurt and a cup.
well, cheers to that.
No Big Daddy Max level giveaway. We gotta do something. They're right. Big Daddy Max is here. We do.
Wow.
Bigger, better than
Delish.
but I'm still wondering why we're not getting closer to 2,000 likes. Like, they don't want you guys duet chair spinning.
We're in drawdown right now. It's really driving me nuts. It's
I'll
driving
chair
me
spin
nuts.
right now if we get to 1.9.
I
Offer
can't believe bro. I'm about to get on Instagram Live and just be like, I need 300 people to just come like this stream for me real quick.
We get
Do
to
it. You
1.9.
won't.
I'll chair spin. I'll teach everyone how it's done.
I just want to see Miriam on the chair. I want to see Llama on the chair, and then we got to get there. I've liked it 3,000 times.
What about Matt?
Matt already declined very politely, said that there would be health issues.
I will
having
tell you this:
this
if you so
marriage,
here's an incentive.
so
If
it's
you guys
important.
come back after my wedding, I will do a chair spin for you. No incentive needed.
Hold on, where are you getting married?
I'm getting married up in my hometown up near Chicago.
Don't do it.
My fiance watches this show, so I'm doing it.
So it's blackmail.
Don't do it. Oh yeah. So she's got okay. Yeah, that's what it is. He's
Right.
like, no, we're doing it.
Right.
Don't do it.
She needs a portion of those payouts.
Yeah. She's like, you better fucking do it. You better do it. Or you're sitting there on your fun little show. That's what my wife says.
Yeah.
Fun little,
fun
bro, that was
little-
the most disrespectful thing she ever said
My
to
wife
us.
will have thousands of people. We're trading, we're live, we're hitting bangers. The energy's out of control, and then my wife will be like, "I know you're having fun on your fun little show, but we have to go to an appointment with the baby." And I'm like, "All right, sick."
You don't tell her.
Did you
another
know
hour.
yesterday? My wife, she screamed at me on stream.
Oh, what'd she say?
I told
didn't
Logan
hear
the
it.
Power Hour special. We had our after.
I wasn't
told Logan,
there. What'd she
I
say?
said, I gotta go at 3:30. I was like, we have to go. My wife's gonna be pissed. So it was like 3:33. She comes in my office. She comes in the studio with Brooke. She comes in with Brooke, and she's like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, I'm live right now, babe. And she's like, "Okay, 6. So you're just gonna fucking be live all day, or are we gonna go?" And she just walked out and slammed the door. I was like, "Oh man." I told the chat too. I was like, "Wait, Max, you're married yet?" I'm married. You see that? Blue on blue, baby. Look how Big Daddy Max doesn't horse around. Blue silicone band. It's actually broken. It's actually got a little tear in it. And the blue Apple Watch with the blue band. I don't want to flex on you guys, but I'm doing very
Dang.
well. I'm doing very well. Blue Apple Watch, blue band, daughter's name tattooed on the thumb, brand new.
And a Cybertruck.
And a Cybertruck. I mean, obviously, I'm a very successful trader.
Obviously.
Apparently.
No, but seriously, my wife, I told everyone in the chat, I was like, she's gonna come in here and she's gonna be pissed off. Like,
She actually did that though.
bro, she busted in on stream and started fucking
I wish I
screaming.
was
Well,
live
she-
yesterday.
in her defense, she didn't know I was live because I don't ever go live in the afternoons. But I was stepping in for Javi, who was out. So I'm live, and she just comes in with my Brooke, and Brooke is looking cute. And I'm like, oh, hi. And then she's like, well, you just gonna sit there and fucking play with yourself all day, or you're gonna get off? And I'm like,
She walked in with Brooke, and you're all happy, like, "Oh, look at little Brooke, he's so cute." And she was like, "What are you still doing?" Damn,
Yo,
she was the whole vibe.
bro, she was so.
Jesus, no. So the worst one is we had a guest on. We had like the usual, maybe 1,500 people watching, and he's like, "Oh, let me call him, man. I have to ask her a question." He like talking to her on the phone on speaker, and she's like, "Well, Max, like I know you're having fun on your fun little show, but some of us have to work here." Bro, that shit hurt my soul. Like, god damn.
Yeah, she's ruthless. She's ruthless.
Yeah,
My
I'm
wife,
bad.
she's such a badass, but she absolutely does not hold back. She has to deal with my shit, so
Yeah.
she knows she's got a badass personality.
Yeah, she's
She
ruthless.
does not hold back. And I mean, all my people know me and my wife's story. She supported me as a trader throughout my whole journey,
Unprofitable trader.
even when I was unprofitable and extremely poor, broke.
Right.
And she was like, "Yep, you can keep having fun on your fun little brokerage and your fun little show." And here we are. Now I have an Apple Band watch that matches my
Let's
silicone brand.
go.
So started from the bottom, consistency over everything. Don't
We
forget
made
to follow.
it, baby.
Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more.
It's good work, bro. Honestly.
Someone should have banned her from the chat. Max, blink twice if you're being abused. No, I'm not being abused. What is leave some drip for all of us, guys? It is noon. This is normally about the time BDM. I got to start winding down. I would love to do like a grand finale giveaway. Is that possible? Like, let's be honest here. I mean, there's 3 hosts here. There's 2 guests. Like, I mean, we could probably just let it rip, and like, it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission in my eyes, right? So
Right, every
we could
time.
just- we could just let it rip right now for these loyal 1,000 people that are still here. There's 1,000 people that have been loyal, hanging out. They really pissed me off to not get to 2,000 likes. So I want to come back on the show. If I'm allowed to come back on the show, I'd love to come back and get 2,000 likes, because I'm not gonna fucking ever stop until I see Miriam do a chair spin and Matt until the
I was
whole
gonna say,
team
yeah,
here.
you come back and I will do one, no questions asked.
So
you kept
I
it. You
think
kept it mostly PG-13, so I think you can come back.
I did very good. Hey,
You did.
Hey, you said you liked hot coffee, so automatically you get the, invite back.
yes, let's go. I did my chat. What should we give away? That's a great question. What should we give away? We did the largest giveaway in Tradeify history one time. I don't know if we can match that. That would be kind of intense.
Ooh, can we?
I don't know if we can match that.
Well, I'll
About to
tackle
find
that
out.
with the team here in the background.
I put Brett on the spot. I'll tell you guys exactly what it was. I put Brett on the spot. It was right down the end of the podcast. And I was like,
Did
Brett,
great.
we're known for the largest giveaways. And like, you just gave them greatest performance. The chat loves you, Brett. Like, what can we do here? And he was like, I'm like, go big, Brett, go big. And he was like, all right, I'll drop 3 of every account.
It's like 30
Dang.
accounts total.
It was like 30 accounts.
That's crazy.
That is
It
crazy.
It was unbelievable. If
I
Brett's
think
watching-
I think background Nick is sweating here.
Nick, don't sweat. Nick, don't sweat. Listen, we can do
Hey,
this.
I do have to call out in the chat though. Lago says that he doesn't want to see me spin. He only wants to see Miriam. Well, you can watch Miriam and then put your mom on the stream. She can watch me. I know she wants to see me. So you go
Damn.
ahead.
Damn.
It's mother time.
I just felt like I needed to match the
Big
energy.
Daddy Max, welcome, Big Mama.
Oh, no.
To be honest, now this is the part where what do we got to do to get your mom on the stream and spin on her chair?
Right.
Like,
I got
how do we
$100
get
hardcore
that?
cash.
You know, how do we get that? Matt, where have you been the whole show? Damn,
Listen, I've just been. You guys just come in here and we're letting you do your thing, and just it's incredibly entertaining. So,
Matt,
Hey, you guys should come on to the real show.
yeah,
Hey.
Have a good time.
We'll
do
do
it.
them on the Big Daddy Morning Show. There's no denying it there. People are already tagging me saying they want Miriam on the podcast.
Podcast is
They're
nice.
already tagging me saying get her on the show. We
It's
need,
just to see me spin on a chair, guys. I
they're
mean,
they're gonna literally try and get you to spin on a chair for an hour and a half. There's no matter what
the
you
whole time I'm just spinning.
yeah. They literally just want.
They gotta
Chat.
make me work for that,
How
man.
many people we got here from the chat? How many people want Miriam on the Traders and Haters podcast? How many people want Miriam on the Traders and Haters podcast? And then we're definitely gonna come back, do an encore with Maddie and Nick. Now Nick's got a surprise coming to him soon. Nick's got a real big surprise coming to him soon.
Do I?
Yeah, he's gonna have to stop and wait for that.
Hey, I just almost got taken out of that trade, TP, but one tick missing still.
Oh, those rats.
That trade is still
That's
going.
crazy. Look at the chat. They're going absolutely berserk right now. I mean, it's noon. Look at the energy we got in the chat right now. So I think we gotta lock it in. Seriously, I think it's locked in.
I guess it is. You gotta do it.
Unbelievable. It's been great. Production, what are we waiting for? You don't make sporadic decisions without approval. That's this long.
All right,
Right,
look,
but you gotta
here's what
remember
we're
we're
gonna do.
live here. You gotta just go on the fly, and if
gotta
you
go
get
on
in
the
trouble, we figure that out on the back end. But like seriously, dude, when we're live and we have 1,000 people watching, we kind of just gotta make these drastic decisions where you gotta just push the button sometimes. And you
Here's
know
what
what?
we're gonna
If
do.
it's a big deal, we'll reimburse it. It's a Big Daddy show.
Well,
What are we even
Low
doing
and
here?
Max, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give away 150k advance account, 2 50k growth accounts, and 3 25k lightning fundeds. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do here.
What's the total for the show then?
I have no idea. But
it's
A lot.
our biggest giveaways ever, without a doubt.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, we haven't done this many giveaways in I don't know how,
in a long time.
Oh, we're
So-
at 1.8, less than 100 likes, and we get a llama chair spin. Less than 100
Oh,
likes,
yes,
less than
let's go.
200 likes away from a Miriam and Max chair spin. We literally could do this, chat. Don't give up on the likes. Do not
Also, we just hit
give up on the
TP.
likes.
We just hit TP1 on that ES short.
Let's
I'm now
go.
break even on the rest. So let's see if we can catch
Big
a runner
Daddy
here.
Nick is officially on the board.
All right, so guys, if you want to participate in this giveaway, we're going to do another marble race. It's very simple. You have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I drop the keyword, only type it once in the chat, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, because you're going to get disqualified. Now, specifically, just for you, Max, the keyword is iced coffee. One word. no
Ew.
space.
Shout out Tradeify TV, over 700 subscribers today. That's
Let's
fucking-
go.
That's
Let's
pretty nuts.
go.
That's awesome. It was either iced coffee or matcha king, so I don't know.
Matcha King.
Yeah.
Don't
So you
talk
got
to me
iced
like
coffee.
that.
Yeah,
Don't talk
yeah.
to me like that.
Matcha?
Matcha King.
Blech.
Matcha King.
Now you just gotta try it. Now you
Hell
just gotta
no.
try it.
Well, llama looks like a cow. Maybe he can go out front and graze the grass in front of his house. It's basically the same thing as drinking matcha. He might as well just go grazing.
I don't like any type of tea. I don't even drink iced tea.
Oh no, I
There's
do
no
like
way.
one. I do like teas. I do like teas. I don't dislike
Like any
Like, when I get
tea.
sick, I'm absolutely smashing a lemon honey ginger. Like
That's what I'm talking
absolutely
about.
smashing some lemon honey gingers. Ooh, didn't mean to drop the hard R like that. Ginger. I also really love chai tea lattes. I am pretty bougie. I fuck with
Hey, me
hot,
too.
Oh,
but
Me
it's a
too.
hot chai tea latte.
I take both, hot or cold. It's fucking great.
I'm not gonna like Miriam. Can we see that mug again? It's very big. It's like a bowl. You're,
it's
like,
literally
drinking
the
out
size of my
bowl.
head.
Like what? It's like a bowl. You
This
can
is
put
my
cereal
smallest
in that.
mug.
I'm pretty sure that's like one of those things you're supposed to put like chocolates in for guests.
You're supposed to put cereal in that.
Yeah, I think you're
Bowl.
supposed to. I think you're supposed to.
I do
serve it.
eat cereal from it
You're
sometimes. It's not
supposed to
gonna lie.
serve
Jesus
that.
Right.
It's a serving bowl.
I have to have like a really good cup to drink out of because it just tastes better. Like you can't have a mid cup.
Dude.
Like that doesn't work.
This is
Right.
I
No,
agree.
yeah.
What she just said is so real. Coffee tastes differently in the mug that it's in. People say I'm nuts. Nothing tastes better than coffee in a glass mug. You can't put coffee in a metal mug. I don't like that shit. But what she just said makes absolute sense. I don't care what anyone says. What you just said is so real. I have arguments with people about that.
Try it out. But I'm like this with like really a presentation to me is important. Like I gotta be able to enjoy my food and look at it and be like, oh, you know, soup, you know, for example, if it's in a nice bowl, you know, a deep, nice bowl, like I'm enjoying that way more than like this, you know, puny little thing. It's all about presentation, guys. You gotta make sure that you're enjoying what you're also.
I know that's right. I know that's right.
Right.
I like fuck very hard.
You forgot what stream you were on, huh?
Right. I can't wait to have you guys on the Big Daddy Morning Show. I can't wait to have you guys on the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's going to be one of the greatest shows. I hope we put on some of the best shows for you guys here. I hope everyone in the chat had an absolute blast. Guys, we're about to do the final giveaway before we get out of here. It's another big one. I think they've at least given away 20 to 25 accounts. Over 700 subscribers for Tradeify TV. Unbelievable job. Make sure you guys like, comment, and smash that button. If you're from my server, if you guys want to support, I might keep the giveaway train rolling. Technically, I might keep the giveaway rolling. So if you guys keep showing your support for Tradeify TV, find Big Daddy Max at the Power Hour special, where I will continue the giveaway train for you all for showing your love to Tradeify TV. And actually, if you just click on their page and go like 5 or 10 of the last videos that they put up as well, that goes a long way for them in their algo. So start spam liking all of Tradeify TV shit. If you guys spam like Tradeify TV shit, Big Daddy Max will throw on a fat giveaway for you at the 3 p.m. Power Hour special with our boys Logan and Javi, who are on a heater. So you guys want more shit? We could keep this good vibes rolling. We don't have to stop.
Yo, what is their streak at, Max? What did their streak go to today?
No, I have no idea. I have no idea.
On a generational streak.
They've been streaking.
Do you have any of our mods in the chat?
For a long time. They've been streaking for a long time. Probably 20 or 30 at least.
20 or 30.
All right, guys. I just got word. We have issues with the marble race, but we're going to do another way of doing this giveaway. Again, we're going to give away a 150k advance account, 2 50k growths, and 3 25k lightning funded. So, Drew, whatever you have figured out, pull it up. So that's the issue with the marble race. Apparently, Steam doesn't want us to play anymore. Although I would like the marble race for that short on. Yes, my target is.
We're going now.
50. SPX with a newer breakdown in lows. Me and Llama got on the phone before the market opened today, and Llama said, I think if we break this certain levels, we have free range drop for the rest of the day. And I said, I agree. I like it. Let's try and catch some of the pop reversals. And look at this freaking day. Absolute free range dumper.
Nice.
Which is really awesome for my Palantir shorts. I can't wait to call your dad and shit on him, dude.
He's gonna be sick. I know he's sick right now. Like, honestly.
What is this giant wheel?
So that's the wheel of names, meaning we're going to spin it once for each account giveaway. The first one is going to be for let's do the first 25k lightning funded account. So Drew, just spin it, and whoever name it does land on, that's who gets the account.
And then you can remove it after. I use this.
Yeah, you can then remove the name.
11 twice. We can't see your name because your giant forehead is actually covering the name. So if you just remove your giant forehead, then I think we'll be able to see your name on the wheel there. So good luck. Good luck to all the contestants.
So Stargazer gets a 25k lightning funded account. Make sure to type something in the chat so we see her there. And whoever wins in this giveaway, any account, make sure you add your email address to the YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you. All right, so next one is going to be a 50k growth account.
Let's go. Congratulations to all the winners.
Oh yeah.
Here's the deal too. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Llama and I, we love to support our traders and our audience. So we really support our traders and our audience. And here's the deal. If you guys take a free account and you take it seriously and you pass the eval and then you get these Tradeify accounts funded and get a payout,
Double it.
double them up. We give you another free account because we
Dang.
want you guys to be serious about your trading.
Nice. That's awesome.
And
Love it.
we do a double up program. And so if you open a support ticket, you provide the receipts.
Wow.
We support our traders, especially with Tradeify traders. If you do the right thing, you deserve to be credited. And at the Big Daddy Morning Show, we do a double up program.
Yep.
So
We're the
you-
method. If you want to
you get
become rich,
funded,
you just need to watch the
You
show.
get funded, you get paid out, and you show that you did the right thing. We give you another free account. It is truly the life hack.
That's
Let's
amazing.
go. Love
Give it
that.
up for Max Options Trades. The team is coming in hot with that. That is awesome.
Let's go. So the 50K growth goes to Lynn Davenport. Make sure to type something in the chat. Now we're going to do another 25K Lightning funded.
Ooh.
25K Lightning funded goes to...
Lightning fundeds. This is, bro, the Lightning fundeds are so nice.
Right.
I'm not going to lie.
Neo gets a 25K Lightning funded.
Nice.
So congrats on that. We're going to do another 50K growth.
Ooh. Man.
Keep them
50K
rolling.
growth.
Keep them rolling.
Keep them rolling here.
I like the
Honestly.
50K. The 50K growths are very nice. That's what we like. I give away a ton of those. I think they're just great accounts. It's a great plan. And it's
Yeah.
it's cheap as shit. I know it's one of the best plans in the game.
50K growth goes to Christopher Isla. So congrats. Type something in the chat so we see you there.
And
And
then
then
change my bio, Llama. After I hit 10,000 today on my fundeds, I think I need to change my bio to like funded trader, 750K under management, like
Funded with 750K
right.
profitable trader, and then you got to put have made hundreds profitable using my strategy.
Right. 34-year hedge fund director, now turned futures trader, 750,000 under management.
Former White House chief of
Then you
staff.
gotta put- you gotta
Former
put the-
White House
put the
chief,
paid Discord link.
Yeah, advised to both the Biden and Trump administration. I'm a rare crossover.
Yeah.
Rare crossover.
Rare crossover.
I'm one of the only ones they allowed.
so let's do another one. Another 25K Lightning funded
Hell
goes to...
You know what's funny? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go yell at my staff. I'm going to be like, wow, their production team was so much better than you guys.
Hey, we got Drew.
Bro, they're literally
Uncomparable.
They got
watching.
Drew, they got Nick, they got their staff, and we got Aniki, who's obsessed with anime porn, and we got the Doc, who's not paying attention with anything, and then we got Nick, who's 22 years old and looks like Ellen DeGeneres, and we got JJ, who's obsessed with poo poo fart, and we're never going to be able to get anywhere with our team. I'm just realizing it. They have look how
Yeah,
great.
we're fucked.
Look at this. Shout out to Drew and Nick. They got Drew and Nick. They got two back here just running this bad boy. This beautiful overlay. The show is awesome. The intro, the show is great. It's so professionally done. And we got someone named Poo Poo Fart. So really, it's just not the same. You know, I'm realizing, Llama, we're just not in the same food chain as Tradeify TV right now.
I don't know. We might
I don't
need to
even
like.
have to respond to that.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
we
don't
need
know
a
either.
co-management.
I'm just gonna say this 25K Lightning funded account goes to Sergey, and now last winner is gonna be for a 150K advanced account. So whoever gets that is the last giveaway winner of the day.
And my mic isn't cutting out. Wow. This guy, Max, talks way too much. You have no idea. I've been very tame today.
He actually took his meds today. Like he's calm.
I took my meds today. I'm actually
There's
pretty,
days
I'm
where he
pretty laid
forgets
back.
to take his
Yeah.
meds and it's a shit show.
Oh my
Last-
God. Yeah.
So last winner is David Guerrero Jr. for the 150K advanced account. Congrats. Everybody who just won, make sure you type something in the chat really quick so we see you there. And also add your email addresses to your YouTube channel description. Also, I just got trailed out of my ES position here. So
Congratulations, guys. Seriously, congratulations to all the winners. You guys deserve it. And nobody appreciates you more than the 5 people up on stage right now, and your consistent support. Just being in the chat means more than you realize. Like, comment, and subscribing. I don't like the way Max trades. It's always the ones that say, Max talks too much. This guy's just yapping. Max has over 500,000 in verified profits this year, you fucking dumbasses. So I can yap all I want up here because I'm the king. And you're all just, never mind. I'm going to stop. This isn't my, all right.
Oh, no.
Come on, poo poo fart. Let's just chill here.
You're all just poo poo fart.
You know, I was looking for that fine line today, Max. I know chat knows what I'm talking about. I was looking for that fine line today, but
it was a tough one.
It was a tough one today.
Unbelievably great job to the winners today, guys. We really appreciate you all. And I think that is it. I'm going to go ahead and call it for myself there. And if you guys don't mind, I'd like to do a little closing little thing that I always do. Honestly, the ego is a bad look for TV. No one cares how much you made. There's another one. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, man.
Let me go ahead and sign off before I say something that will never have me back. Yep. Guys, remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are here filming Tradeify TV, the #1 TV in the YouTube space. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow everyone's individual socials, Nick, Matt, Miriam, Llama, and all the team here, especially Tradeify, Brett, and everyone. Unbelievable team there. Great job by Nick and Drew, the back-end support, who take care of everything so we could put on an unbelievable live entertainment-only show for you guys. And make sure you guys check out all of the great things Tradeify offers, like the 30% off sale, the massive giveaways, which will be honored for Double Up program, and so much more. We really appreciate everything you guys do, and make sure you are following. For any crucial updates, you're in their free Discord and you have the notifications on. 20.2 thousand subs, and I have a feeling it might be over 200,000 by the end of the year with the pace that they're on. They have Matt, Miriam, and Nick, the trio up here that's going to take this to the top of the YouTube streaming world. Follow traders who are real, follow traders who are transparent, and stop following idiots who take your affiliate money and fucking buy cars. So we really appreciate everything you guys do. Llama and I have a podcast to film soon. If you want to support us, I'm not going to sit here and sling anything to you guys. All I say is we have a community of 50,000. It's one of the wildest, most fun communities. You can follow any one of our social medias to find out more. That is it. And really just appreciate all of you coming by. 1.8 thousand likes, over 1,800 congruent. It was a great show, and a huge shout out to you guys for having us. Thank you so much. And it was an unbelievable day. 10,000 booked on funded straight to sim profits by yours only, Tradeify. So we really appreciate everything, guys, and thank you so much for having us. And I am looking forward to a million more collaborations where you have to listen to me yap the entire time, dumbass.
Let's fucking do it. I can't wait.
Thank you, guys, and then I pass it off to the Llama.
It was a great day, guys. I want to thank you guys at Tradeify. We appreciate you for having us and putting up with us. We tried to stay on our best behavior today, and I think we did quite well. I did break a Lego, which was very depressing, but
Really
we did what we had to do. 2 trades by me, both longs. On a day we melted 250 points, we were able to find true precision and catch nice moves, and we ended it green on the day. That's another day. I think me and Max are on a 119-day win streak, all done live in front of thousands, and keeping it fun for everybody. Hope everybody had fun. Make sure to tap in, guys, and we appreciate you guys for having us again. It was a pleasure. Hope to see you guys soon. Hope to see your guys' growth. Keep killing it. Your page is amazing. The overlays look amazing. Everything looked awesome. The production's amazing. Congratulations on what you guys are doing. It's awesome, and we hope to see you guys at the top because we're on the way. So
Let's do it.
appreciate you guys.
Give it up for Llama and Max here, and W's in the chat for both of them for coming on today. Appreciate you both. Of course, we're gonna have you guys back on, duh. So you know, just love the entertainment today. Thank you for the trades, the insight. We appreciate you guys. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
We got a hell of a day coming up. We appreciate every single one of you. We love you. Chat, send us out with some W's.
They're on it.
We will see you, the Power Hour special and the Big Daddy Morning Show tomorrow.
Let's go.
We are out,
Thanks,
baby.
guys.
Thanks,
Yeah,
guys.
Max and Llama. Thank you.
Bye, y'all.
Thanks, guys.
Also, guys, remember I said it in the beginning already, but we currently do have a pretty big sale going on. Drew, if you can pull up that graphic really quick. We currently have Advanced Account 10-day anniversary special, 150K account for $50, 100K account for $40, and 50K account for $30. So that is with the simple code AUG at checkout. But guys, what a show! Max and Llama, they're great entertainers.
Oh yeah, love the duo. Unfortunately with the Legos, but hopefully Llama gets those fixed soon. But yeah, such a great day, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And man, it was quite entertaining. It was quite entertaining. I think everyone, stayed in on good behavior, so that's always good to see. I definitely didn't
Absolutely.
forget I was on the stream, so
Yeah,
that's
that's
happened a few times.
Well, guys, we had two fantastic guests today, but we're not done with guests for the week. We've got a Moss coming on tomorrow, and then I believe it's is it Joey Morgan on Thursday and Tyler Trades on Friday. So, and I think Tank is with us tomorrow. I assume we'll get confirmation on that in the morning. And yes, we are already working behind the scenes desperately for Tank to do a coaching session with Big Daddy and Llama. That would be art.
Oh, I'd love
that would
to
be
see
art.
Also,
It needs to be done live.
Hey, also we need to mention that too. We did cross 20,000 subscribers today. So
Let's
thanks to all of
go.
you guys for supporting the channel, for being here every single day, having fun with us, and obviously everybody who came over from Max Options Trading. Welcome to Tradeify TV, and we're back on tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. EST.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I think it's time to wrap this show for today. Take advantage of that sale. If you missed any of what happened today, go back and watch it. There's a lot of evergreen stuff in there. Two of the most entertaining gentlemen in the business. We appreciate their time as always. So for me, thanks for watching another edition of Tradeify TV. We'll be back tomorrow with another show, and let's send it away with the man himself, Mr. White Tea, Swiss Nick.
Who is just currently got fired, but
He did. He got fired. That's what I'm doing, looking at the camera.
Hey, I'm back. Literally,
All right,
like,
something Swiss Nick. Bye bye.
I stopped talking and literally got kicked out of the stream for whatever reason. But hey, yeah, thank you guys again for 20K. Thank you guys for being here. It's fun, and we're back tomorrow 8:30 a.m. EST. But as usual, let's end this show with our one and only future slaying, matcha drinking, self-muting, hot girl walking, stranger hugging, Slack notification hating, bottom tick loving, non-official Disney princess, curly trader, matcha mommy. Sign us off, man.
oh gosh, man, guys, it's been a stream. It's been one hell of a day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Lots of giveaways given out today. Make sure you take advantage of that sale. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you continue to support us. We appreciate every single one of you guys for joining on today. And as usual, make sure that if you did trade today or if you didn't trade today, make sure you go out and smell some freaking grass, some air, some whatever it is, whatever that will bring
Put
life
it in your coffee mug.
Yeah, exactly. So, just make sure that you go and enjoy your day off the charts. Make sure that you are spending time with loved ones and, just showing gratitude for things. So, yeah, just make sure you're doing that. But we will see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern. Enjoy your day and go be great. We'll see you then.